Figured out what happened. What my face cam is now. Okay, there seems to be two. It seems to be my overlay that's causing the problem. So I moved my camera. Put that guy back. Down, down, meow, meow, meow. So it's my overlay that's doing it. I wonder why. I'm gonna try restarting it, I guess. Hi! Hello! Simbi! Phantom Potato, Rick! Dr. Zerbion, RK Sanders, Titan Roboduck, Metza and Soft. What's up, guys? Ryu Ramasama! Teshub! Thanks for hanging out early, guys. Flint Steel, you're here too? Nim, what's up, dude? Sorry for the technical difficulties. Let's see what the hell's going on. $100 for a Sky giveaway. That's a bit expensive for a key. Yeah, so the idea is that instead of doing, we'll do like smaller, every $100 in donations, we'll do a giveaway for whatever game we have to give away during that time. Let's see if we can get our overlay working again. Seems to be broken. And that would suck if we got raided or if we needed to do a thing. An overlay thing. Okay. So there's our overlay. Think we're good. Let's try it. Bam. Alright. Okay, I think we're back in action. So let's hit it, make sure it works. Doobie, 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 doobie. Okay, we're good. Oh, yeah. Simply thank you for the host. No more get Quasi to Europe? We will. We'll work on that slowly. I have some cool ideas I want to do for donation overlay stuff. So we'll get the Europe stuff going soon, hopefully. All the $100 donation goals will go towards the Europe trip. That's kind of the plan. But let's get to work. Is my mouth up? Boop. So we got a lot of stuff to get to today. Last time on stream, what did we do last time other than put boxes on everybody's heads? Oh yeah, we correlated energy with walking speed, which I'm kind of hating. I'm gonna turn that off for debug mode. Zoot, hello! You're here and you're awesome. You are awesome and you're also a butt. So I'm not sure which one of those things are more important. Actually, I wanted to try something. Hold on, let's see how this works. We have tried this before. What happens? Yeah, let's try that. Let's reset the green screen. Properties. Green screen. Boop. Green screen, boop. Green screen, this one. Green screen, that one. That's a little bit better. Blend it. Okay. But the butt part's definitely the most important. Could you come to next year, France Indicate? Actually, I think I won't be able to come this year. Simbi, what do you mean you live in France? Why would you be able to go to Indicate? You jerk. Why would you not be able to go to Indicate? There's only one. It's the first one. First one ever. Don't you want to be a part of it, Simbi? Don't you want to be cool? So last time on Dragon Ball Z, we started working on the startup screens for the game. By the way, it's really hard. I guess you guys can't see it because it's skin color. There's a band-aid here. It's really hard to use the mouse with this band-aid on. Really, really hard. Because work! Simbi, everyone knows that your job is pants gun officer. And there's no place more important than Indicate where a pants gun officer will be needed. You can't go at the same time as a SimbiCon. What? How could you not tell us about a SimbiCon? Are we not invited to Simbi? Are we not invited to a SimbiCon? Is that what's happening here? Okay, so where is the menu that we created? We created this menu called Starting Panel. Yeah. So we started working on these modal pop-ups, or like this just panel system where we can navigate through panels by pressing next and back. Finally back, my internet has been through my phone until now. Now I got fast. There's a nice Titan Roboduck. Welcome back. Glad to see you got your ISP working out. So, got Visual Studio, but I was going to get rid of the energy thing. Energy stat. Where do we mess with energy stat? It's here, I believe. It's here, it's here, it's here. Current energy. So we're going to disable update speed for now, because it just makes it really hard to debug with. Only people experts in omelette du fromage are allowed? Hey man, I can make a mean cheese omelet. I can make a really cool... I'm working on a Tycoon game in Unity as well. Awesome, Maul. What kind of game are you working on? Elmer, what's up, dude? Everyone is working on a Tycoon game. It's the new... Tycoon game is the new cool thing to do. That's why I'm doing it. It's the only reason I'm doing it. Let's try moving this light. Let's see. Try to get the lighting in here. So it gets really, really hot with the lamps, at least in the summer. So I think I'm going to turn one lamp off from now on during the summer, and then we'll turn it back on once it's cold outside. Quacks, what's up, dude? I had a fun time yesterday fighting for my true grade for your exams. What do you mean, Potato? What happened? Why your true grade? They try to take your grade away from you? So the mouth fell off of my camera, and now he looks really creepy to me. I need to... Oh, if it's right over here. Anyone who doesn't know, my camera has a little face on it. So this is his smiley. This is his smile. And so when it comes off, he looks super creepy to me. So I've really gotten used to him having a mouth. So there we go. Now he's got a crooked smile, but that's okay. Better than nothing. I'm not working on a Tycoon game. Are you calling me a nobody? Tycoon game for aquariums. Ooh, nice. That's a pretty good idea. I love aquariums. Well, nobody is perfect. So you are nobody, Elmer. Okay, so our first window is going to be setting the convention name. Then you can hit next and you're going to choose locations. And so we'll work on this window next. Quasi is crazy confirmed. A Tycoon game. That was actually, I forgot where I was reading about that. It was some game dev's idea. But the problem with that, actually, let's create... No, we won't do that. So we're going to remove the name here for now. Delete array element. And we're just going to start a location. Hashtag draw banana wearing a quasi costume. What? What? Too soon, Asimbi. Too soon. You were given a low mark, which was below the grade I was needed. I had to try and get a remark. Gained 7 marks, so I passed, but it really annoyed me if this happened to a lot of other people. Damn, Potato, that really sucks. Alright, this music is really getting me down. We need to get some thing a little bit more lively up in here. There we go. Okay, so the premise of the location window is going to be that you click on a location and then it shows you the details here, and also highlights that location. So, okay, let's call this, let's turn this guy on so we can see it. This is going to be, I'm trying to think. I guess we'll start with the non-generic version. All the commands are checked. You're ready to start the stream. Thanks, Asimbi. Trying to think. That's working too. Trying to think how we want to create this. This could be a option selector or game option selector, because we're going to use kind of a similar UI for choosing celebrities and stuff like that. Never actually seen you stream. Does Asimbi stream? That's a good question. I think Asimbi streamed for Quasi Jams once before. So let's say option panel. Is it an option panel? Whatever. That's what we'll call it. We can always refactor it if we don't like that name later. Reload. Okay. So an option panel is going to have a set of option... I guess it doesn't need a button. I guess this panel just needs a view. This one with the text. So we're going to call this option view. And so it's going to render the details for each one of these items. What's up, Smart Dev? How's it going? Are you the total opposite of Drunk Dev? Here's Evil Twin Brother. The legend says that Asimbi streams when the moon is at the nearest place to Earth, one time a year, while everyone is sleeping. Okay. So for now, I guess we didn't really have... Yeah. Yeah. So we'll say... private text... Oh, wow, whoa, what happened? Why is your sharper so weird? We'll call this detail text. Public void update view. I get some food. Be back in 20 minutes. I think. See you, Titan Roboduck. Sim only streams during the hour between daylight savings time and normal time. So what are we going to pass in for detail text? Guess we're going to need information for a location. That's probably going to be, I guess technically it's going to be information for a game option. It's going to be like an image and text, stuff like that. So we'll say public class option. And right now it just has a public string name, public string description. Guess there's gonna be there's gonna be a few different types. We'll do that for now. So pass in an option. We'll say detail text equals option.name plus new line. Oops, that's an equals, not a plus. Plus option.description. I started watching around when you made the cat mannequin game, then I had to go to basic training. Oh my god, Smart Dev, how was that? Welcome back. Are you like super jacked now? And super cool? Super awesome? Except true omelette du fromage? How could you know that if everyone is sleeping? This is true. I can't believe you remember the cat mannequin game, Smart Dev. I forgot it was a cat for a little while. We did cancel that game. We're currently working on Convention Tycoon, which if you were around a little bit before the cat mannequin game, it was like the first idea we had before we jumped into the horror game jam. Which reminds me, isn't Quasi Jam 7 soon? Let's see, has everyone been voting for themes? I don't think I have Discord open, do I? There we go. Boop-a-doo. I think I posted it. Yes. Let's see how these theme submissions are going. Should probably do the voting for themes soon. So Quasi Jam 7 is on September 23rd. Okay, so we'll do voting next week probably. All of next week. We'll do some votes. So if you're a sub, make sure you get on Discord and submit your theme ideas. And everyone will be voting on themes next week. What's up, Kirai? Okay, so update view by passing in an option. Did a lot of push-ups. Nice. I'm in tech school now, so things are going good. Awesome, dude. Well, congrats on finishing basic training. The game jam you participated in, did you showcase the game? No. I don't have it yet. Keep forgetting to download it. Someone remind me off stream to download Man in the Van so I can show you guys that jam game. Your small university project is complex. That sucks, Kirai. What's the project? Give me an idea for a 2D game I can write with Unity. Geek Circle, how about a 2D platformer? No, how about a 2D platformer? No. How about 2D game I can write with Unity? How about a 2D platformer where you're a ghost trying to scare people? How about a MacBook? Wanted to be like the cool kids. Would you know how well Unity works on Mac? Yeah, it works great on Mac. A lot of Skyhook was developed using a MacBook as well. Hellstorm, what's up, dude? How's it going? How does an option panel work? So we'll say public void on option selected. Which add-ons do I use? I use these. Resharper is probably one of the biggest ones. I guess I don't have Resharper there. Should probably add it. Resharper. Resharper is the one you'll see me use like all the time. It's when I'm like, when I do this and like I'm searching for stuff, that's Resharper. When I'm refactoring and stuff, that's Resharper as well. So let me add that to our extensions command. A, B, C, D, E, F, 7 extensions. Resharper. There we go. An app that does portrait swapping in 360 degrees pictures of our academic building. A specific hall has a bunch of painted portraits of old male professors, and my code buddy and I have to swap those with modern female professors in the VR pictures. God damn, Kirai. God damn. That's gonna be easy. Should get that done in like a day, probably. Okay. When an option is selected, we're going to need to pass in that option, probably. How will we do it? Each... I guess the buttons... We'll have to create the buttons. Implement the actual portrait detection, cutting it out. And fix up the background Photoshop algorithm to do a content-aware fill. Damn, that's a serious computer science project. By the end of it, you'll know how to make fake photos for the government, I guess? School sucks, a lot of stuff to know, then I have to take security plus test at the end. Oh, don't worry, smart dev. Happens. Especially while you're in school, it's definitely tough to do the things. So let's call this option button. Turn this into a prefab. So our panel. Let's keep that button there actually. So we're gonna need public option button prefab. They use MATLAB. That's the program for champions. I use MATLAB to create all the 3D assets in this game as well. Option button. I don't know what this does, but I guess this will store its option. They'll know its option. So we'll have public option, and public void on selected. And for now, I don't know what that will do. I guess it'll have to know its option panel. So we can call panel dot on option selected, and we could pass in our option. We'll also use this to color our button and other stuff like that later. This guy needs a method. So this needs an option view. Make these guys private and serialize them. Next semester. So we'll say view dot. Do we have some methods in here? Update view with the new option. I guess, do we really need this panel? Couldn't the prefabs just go straight to the view? I guess we'd want to know the current selected option. I don't think there's any other reason we would need this controller as opposed to just sending everything or putting the controller and the view into one class. This would store what's currently selected. The view could do that too. This creates the buttons. The view could technically do that too. It's okay. Keep it separate. So we need to know this panel here. And this panel here. So we just put them in here. So we'll say void create buttons. And we'll also need a list of options. So private option array current options. Twitch AR could put banana suits on all streamers, video, sub benefits only. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna create these buttons for each one of these options. We're gonna iterate over all of our options. For each option, we're gonna spawn a button. So we're gonna say option button button equals button prefab.spawn. And make sure we say button prefab.create pool. Do this in the awake method. We're going to create our buttons. Here are all of our options, and then we say button.option equals options at I. So we store reference to our option, and we all set the view. So we'll say button.view or panel option panel. Oh, which one? Okay, yeah, panel equals this. So button.panel equals this. So we'll create our buttons and set each of them. So actually I want a method in here. So public void set option. What? Smart dev! Welcome, welcome, welcome! Thank you so much! Smart Dev, thank you so very much for hitting that sub button. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. You are officially now one of the jerkiest persons? People? Persons? I don't know. You're a terrible person. Thank you so much for supporting the stream. You now get access to our sub-only Discord where you can hang out with me and all the other subs all day, all night, all morning, all weekend. You also get some cool emotes like the Noseless Quasi, the Quasi-O, the Bearded Love. Thank you so much for showing your support. I'm looking at you, Zoot! Thank you so much for showing your support and starting that sub train right over there, little shark guy. Welcome. Thanks for all the hype, guys. You guys are amazing. Please come join us on Discord, Smart Dev. Come hang out if you have any game dev questions or want to show what you're working on and talk about what you're doing. We're always there to give you feedback and look at your stuff. He's a jerk. He's a man. He's a maniac. Picture of the hall will be taken somewhere after 20th September, so by then I'll like to have some sort of prototype. That's a serious project here. They did not ask us to do anything nearly that complicated when I was in school. Thank goodness. Option panel. And we're going to make these private now because we don't need to access publicly. We're going to set them through here. So we'll say this.option equals option. And this.panel equals panel. And now once this is set, I want it to do, this is a button, right? So we need to know our button. Private button. Oh no, it's a text. So private text title. We're going to make that serialized. I really hate that you have to import Unity's UI for frickin' every single class that you want to make. Never go to Quasi Discord, it's full of jerks! It is. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie! So now we can say title.text equals option.name. So our button actually has the title that matches the name of the option. And so now we're gonna say button.set option, and we'll set current options at I. And this controller. Once you get in, you'll never get out. We don't let anybody out. Alright? Once you join the Discord, the only way out is through blood. And fish. And salami. And pterodactyls. This is an option button. It's going to need a reference to... Let's recompile here. It's going to need a reference to its text. Apply. Can delete that now. We need to add this option panel somewhere. I actually don't know where it's coming from. Oh, it's coming from here. Okay. Yeah, put it here. We need one more serialized thing, which is the rect transform for the button panel. I'm very loyal. I bow for the master. What? You never have to bow to me. You have to curtsy. Kappa party? If I see 9 hashtag Kappa parties in chat, we can have a Kappa party. We're all serve Quasi. Okay, it's gonna be our panel. I gotta set these references up. You guys make me lose track of what I'm doing. Where's my Unity? There we go. Call this buttons, call this view. So this is the view, goes here. Why is button panel an array? Oops, should be one rect transform. We have to make sure this is serialized. 1, 2, 3. What's up, OTDQ? 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hashtag Kappa. Damn it, Zoot. We want to make sure... Shoot! Thank you for the bits! Praise the Quasi. Thank you so very much for those bits. We want to make sure this class, where'd it go? This option class is serialized? Hey. How's the option class? No, it's over here. System dot serializable. Oh snap! Kevin from Power Up Audio. Why is your username not Kevin from Power Up Audio? What's up, dude? Chilling at PAX? Yeah. Oh, it was awesome. It was awesome getting to see you and meet you. Are you going on TwitchCon? I think you said you are, right? So we can see each other again very soon. What did Quasi say at 9 cow party? He'll put on the banana costume? No, Simbi. That is not what I said. Pretty sure. I don't know. Check the VOD. Thanks for the follow, OTDQ and or Kevin. Guys, if you don't know Kevin at Power Up Audio is a super, super awesome group that makes music for very, very awesome indie games. If you've ever played amazing games like Towerfall or seen amazing games like Viking Squad, they've done a bunch of really, really cool stuff for a bunch of really cool indie games. Definitely give them a follow. They stream stuff sometimes. And Kevin, do you stream on OTDQ? Damn it, Zoot! You did not hear Banana Suit. We got Power Up Audio account as well, but we only use it at home for the dev stream. Gotcha. No one really chats as Power Up Audio. Makes sense. Keep it from getting into any trouble when you're chatting. Okay, so option is serializable now. There we go. Thanks, Simbi. So this is our button panel. We need our button prefab, which is in here. UI option button. I stream speedruns and random stuff on this account, but don't follow him because it's so infrequent. Alright, in that case, anybody who followed Kevin, make sure you unfollow him right away. He warned us. Let's not make these red anymore because we don't want this to be red. So the idea is we're going to fill this button with a bunch of location options. So let's create some options. Let's just put 2 for testing. Let's put the first one is a Simbi's house. And the second one, we'll say Power Up Audio HQ. So the 2 locations you could buy for your convention is a Simbi's house and Power Up Audio HQ. What's up, Saros? How's it going? My parakeet loves Quasi streams. Every time they come on, he starts singing. Oh, that's awesome. I want to see that. Can you make a video of that? You still drop birthday thingies? I did actually level up yesterday. Zoot! Was it your birthday for reals? Or are you trolling me? What's up, Daku? Okay, so let's see if this code we just put together works. It probably will not work. Alright. Oh, we never actually created the buttons, did we? What level are you now, Zoot? Wait, is Zoot serious? Is it really his birthday? Because we have to drop a birthday cake. Let's create these buttons first. So I spawned the buttons, but I didn't do anything with them. So button.transform.setParent. Button panel. For reals? Alright, we'll draw you a cake right after we finish this to-do list. What did you make in your project, Saros? Currently we're working on, well, nothing, apparently, because this isn't working. Let's see what's going on. Where's our boo? Well, they're in here. Oh, right, the scale problem again. So there's a common problem I found in UI. When you parent a rect transform, if anyone knows a trick to fix this, when you parent a rect transform to a rect transform, it resets the size to 0, which makes everything disappear. You can definitely go with banana costume now? Yes, you can. So you're 27? Cool. We're almost around the same age. Alright, so there we go. Simbi's house and Power Up Audio HQ. Now, clicking on them isn't doing anything because we never actually put that in the button. So here in the button, we have to make sure we add a little action. And we're going to add the action option button dot on selected. Is that Video Studio what you are in now? Is that Video Studio what you are in now? A what? And a what? And a what? No reference exception because this view doesn't have reference to its text. I didn't serialize this. Is that Visual Studio what you're working on? Yes, this is Visual Studio. Yep. We can go to your house and send you. What's up, Nets Bamboo? Also, for anyone who hasn't seen this game before, this is actually not a good time to shut the game. Hold on one sec. Let's just see if this... Oh, god damn it. See if this works. Better be the most awesome house of the game. There we go. Okay, cool. So for anyone who hasn't seen this game before, this is Convention Tycoon. Let me hide this panel here. We should have a close button, which we haven't done yet. This is Convention Tycoon. This is day 17, I think the stream says. Yeah. Hey, Bamboo. How's it going? Look at you in there with your little box head. So this is essentially a game where you create and manage your own video game / comic book convention. So the premise right now is working on the very, very, very basic prototype. Trying to get most of our systems in. Potato, you brought snacks. Nice. So the premise is that you can accept which booths you want or which companies you want to show at your convention. Things like Pig Studio, Underkill Corporation, Seal Corporation, B-Box, Derponian, Castle Network, etc. Once you do that, you can decide where you're going to put your booths down. So we're going to put some booths here, put a booth over there, put the Derponian booth over here. You'll notice that each one of our booths have little game developers. Right now, they're just indie game booths that we have so far in the game. So our little indie game devs will come in and set up at their booths. They'll get deliveries of crates, and our hauler over here, whose name is Brawny Jung, will carry the crates over to the booths, help them set up so they get their computer monitors going. There he goes, he's doing his thing. And there he goes. Now they're ready to go, and now people can come visit their booth and play their games. So there goes the wizard right here, Dean Burrows, and these guys, and they're all enjoying the booths. Now we have lots of NPCs, so here's That's Bamboo. She's pretty happy, losing some food, losing some water, so we can get them a pizza shop. Put one over here. There's a little pizza shop where you can buy pizzas and bananas to feed our NPCs. You can also set down beanbag chairs for them to sit in. There we go. And be comfortable. Faster, Brawny. Ain't got all day. What's up, Lucas? How's it going? As you can see here, our characters are sitting on their chairs and enjoying their time by shoving themselves directly into the couches. Now, characters also have a secret bathroom stat, and when their bathroom stat gets too low, they'll head over here to the bathroom and they'll do their dirty business. I think Smart Dev is actually headed to the bathroom. Nope, he's headed to a beanbag. See if anyone's going to the bathroom. Headed to beanbag. This guy? Headed to beanbag. At beanbag. This is some serious crate carrying. Holding that crate up with pure willpower. Yes. I think eventually we'll. Oh, these guys are making sweet, sweet love. Eventually, I'll probably give the haulers like a little wagon thing to carry their boxes, because it's a little cruel that they have to carry each box one at a time. So yeah, we have to make it out behind the pizza stand. I know. Lucas, thank you for the follow. Casey, thank you for the follow. Is that a box in their heads? It is. This is the box from What the Box, which actually we need to get a command for. What the Box is the newest game by Daniel S&D, who is a good friend of the show. Let's see if we could find a link to this game. How many hours has it taken you, Geek Circle? 17 days. I would say about 8 hours per day, maybe 6 hours per day some days. Usually on average, like anywhere between 4 to 6 hours, which is not an average, I know, I'm sorry. But about 4 to 6 hours per day for 17 days. Those days being spread across a period of time. Let's make a What the Box command. WTB. I wish commands could have multiple names. Check out What the Box on Steam. The newest game by Daniel S&D. So the boxes on their heads are from What the Box, which is... that didn't work. There we go. I'm going to put a reference to What the Box of Medicine. Got the model from Daniel already. Nice, dude. That's awesome. Is this Metal Tetris theme? Hell yeah, it is. Hey, Riddler. How's it going? So anyways, that's where we are with our game right now. You can see this guy over here bought some pizza. There's Dahlia. She got some pizza, banana, and a drink. And they're going behind that booth to get lost. So we've got these basic systems in. We're currently working on the starting system where you choose your location, your name, your budget, etc., etc., etc. You next mentioned help command? I do, yeah. That's a good point. I think we have a commands command, which would probably just be the help command. I think that's probably more useful. I don't think commands can have multiple names, so let's say help. Help! Okay, so let's just jump back to what we're working on, which is the starting panel here. Uh-oh. This checkbox is way too close. What happened to the game, Riddler? What do you mean? This is a multiplayer game too, Smart Dev? No, this is a single player Tycoon game. Okay, so basic premise is working. We have a Simbi's house here, and the title is showing up over here. So it's also going to have description. So we'll say $500 per day, and we'll say the power-up headquarters is $1,000 per day. What the box does look awesome, yeah. The name of this game, Smike, this is Convention Tycoon. Everything changed, it looks great. Thanks, Riddler. Yeah, we've done a lot of work on it. Alright, so this is going to be our prototype choose a location button. And then we hit next, now that'll be the location for your place. So again, we'll have the name panel. So let's add that back in. How does this work? Okay, I think it works like that. No, okay, name goes first, and then location. Nope, location. Okay, so you hit next, and you can choose location. You can go back and change your name. So we'll make this actually store the reference to the convention name. This actually store reference to the location. Now, question is how? How? I guess this is technically an option panel as well. Okay, let's pull up our what we drew yesterday. I think it was called UI text? UI test? Yes. Okay, this is our fancy-pantsy UI planning. It's con name, and then locations, and then I think this is supposed to be like that with, oh, I think locations and days are going to be together. This is inviting guests. Just going to look the same. This is choosing themes. Okay. You'll be able to add your own custom location, Shub? No, so the game's going to give you a bunch of pre-made locations, and those are the constraints in which you have to build your convention. So things like a hotel, a convention hall, etc. What's up, Brian? So if we go and make another one of these, and say we call this guests. Thanks, Brian. Appreciate it. And so this one's going to say invite guests, invite famous jerks. Same thing, buttons and view. And so this one, let's say one is going to be Tashub, who costs $100 per day, and Zoot, who costs $1 per day. Now, we're probably going to change the description so we don't have to keep typing day so much. We'll make it like cost or something. Then we'll put a third one in here, which is that's bamboo. Oops, I put an apostrophe in your name. Quadrivi looks it up. I'm like 90% the one using but. What's up, Daniel is the best too. How's it going? Daniel is the best. And that's bamboo is $150 per day. So yeah, we're going to change this quickly to cost and not description, because I can see how that's going to become a problem as we want to add up the costs together. I cost $1 per day. I'm rich! Yeah, so let's say option buttons. I think I'm going to make this its own. I'll leave it in here. So it's going to have a description. We'll have public int cost. We'll do it that way instead, so we can actually type it in. You with the scaredy cat? Oh man, I get so happy when I see that. Okay, so 100, 1, bamboo is 150. And for location, we'll have to redo it as well. So delete this, 500, 1000. You feel left out, potato? We'll make you a location. This is potatoes, potato, or fathom potatoes, potato. And that's, of course, the most expensive of all the locations, 3,000. Okay, so these are our guests. So now let's go back. Let's redo our buttons. So we're using description right now. We're not actually using cost. Probably break this up more. You know what? That's a waste of time right now. So we're just trying to make this quick and dirty. So option.cost plus day. And there's a currency thing I did before. It was like you could call like system.currency or something. Public static currency symbol. Game manager currency symbol, yeah. I remember doing something where you could actually find the currency symbol for the person's computer or something. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. 150 per day, I can buy like what? One belt buckle for that? Is 150 expensive or are buckles way too expensive? Where are you buying your buckles from, Brian? You're getting ripped off on belt buckles. So new line, cost. And then new line, description. Looking at the MATLAB code? Oh man. Oh god. I forgot to add guests to the panel list, so guests is going to be page 3. You can look up their localization, then use that to find the currency symbol. Yes! Good point. Alright. So here we go. That's Bamboo 150, Zoo 0. So we want to make sure we clear this view in the beginning. The view should have nothing to start. Option view, so on void, start. Let's just say detail text equals nothing. They have buckles for $4.50 in stores? What? That's pretty insane. Alright, so there's That's Bamboo, Zoot. So later on, we'll probably show images and stuff of them as well, but for now, there's going to be really ugly buttons like this. Now we're going to change this button a little bit. Prefabs, UI, option button. So we'll say, I think it's pressed color. Got a little cardboard today, nice. Oh, I guess that's pressed color and highlighted color. Later on we'll do this by code, so it actually all stays one color. And it won't just be a button, it'll be a panel with an image and all that kind of crap. We'll have to be able to invite more than one famous person. Right now they're buttons. So we'll have to do that as well. World's most expensive belt buckle is a mechanical wonder. Costs more than a house. What? Alright, see you, Riddler. Be careful lurking. It's a dangerous lurking world out there. Okay. Now all of these need to connect up to a single start setup panel, which we have. Bamboo, you're a famous jerk? Of course you are. You're the most famous jerk I know. Why is this stuck? Can't zoom. Can't zoom. Is all I ever wanted? I'm glad I could finally give you zoom, damn you. What's happening? Everything is just is my keyboard? Oh snap, my keyboard died. Rip. Rip. What you get for using a wireless keyboard and not charging the battery? Come on back to me, keyboard. Come on back. There we go. What'd you do with $1 million? I'd buy $550,000 belt buckle. I would too. Is this Potato's house? I knew it all along. Potato lives in a potato with a broccoli for a tree. Knew it all along. Did you make this or did you find this somewhere? Why does this picture exist? Where is this from, Potato? Okay. Setup panel. Need to know its cost, so we're going to have a text. Cost. Title. You found it? You don't know how. Suspicious. Public void update cost. Int amount. And we're going to have a thing here. Int total cost. So total cost plus equals amount. And cost title dot txt equals total cost. I guess game manager dot currency symbol plus total cost. You live in Ohio where everyone lives in potatoes? So now we can update the cost here. So we have a setup panel. So each one of these option panels can get the setup panel. And that's just the parent. So we're going to say equals transform dot parent dot get component setup panel. And now when an option is selected, damn it. How do I want to do this? We want to say it's cheaper to live in a potato in the UK. Okay, we want to say whenever you choose one of these, the cost reflects here. I guess maybe it doesn't reflect until you go to the next page. Or I guess I feel like it should update immediately. What do you guys think? Should the cost of your convention down here update as soon as you click on one of these? So you can understand how much your cost is going to go up? I think so, right? So I guess what we could do is store reference to our current cost, our total cost, and our temp cost. Of course it should! Damn, Zoot. Calm down. It's going to be okay. Say temp cost. And we could add that. And then once we change pages, we'll update the total cost. Everyone agrees immediately? Okay, cool. It should update before you click. Okay, thanks guys. So we'll have our total cost, which we store once we change pages, and our temp costs, which we just which equals total cost plus the amount. No, shit, that doesn't work. Let's not do that. Because for our guests, we're going to be inviting multiple guests. So we'll have to like remove. And,
oh yeah.
And 2D Heroes, thank you for the host. Where is Q's abode? What? What? Oh, you mean your house? For anyone that wants to see the $500,000 belt buckle, search images for Calibre R822 Predator. Oh, that's really expensive belt buckle. Thank you for the host, 2D Heroes. Welcome everybody from 2D Heroes' stream. We are currently working on Convention Tycoon, which, oops, I got this panel up again. I really should put a toggle for this panel, because it's kind of annoying. We're currently working on Convention Tycoon, a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. Think Roller Coaster Tycoon plus Zoo Tycoon plus Comic-Con. And this is our game so far. You can bring in guests, you can set down booths, and you can serve your guests pizza. And they can use the bathroom by standing up. Currently we're working on getting caught or choosing where your convention starts and ends. So you know what? Let's actually make a toggle for that before we get into this whole cost crap. Let's make a button that actually hides and shows this view. So I believe this needs to be a UI view, a UI draggable window. So let's start with that. UI draggable window. Which then also means that it can be closed, unless that's the inbox view. So never mind. It reminds you of Game Dev Tycoon, Brian? Cool, it should, yeah, it should. Yeah, we want this to be extending UI window, so not that. UI window. We have a canvas group now. Plus Comic-Con Tycoon. It looks good, thanks Brian, appreciate that. Now we need a bit of, let's make a button for actually bringing up that. Should we make a button, should we make a keyboard shortcut? So it's only going to happen in the beginning. Sir. Alright, let's make a button first. This is going to be settings. And this icon will be this funny little lady. And this will toggle the start button. After you select location initially, can you move to a new location later? Shoob, yeah. So the loop of the game is going to be... Alright, cool. Now we could hide and show this, so it's not so annoying. Like PAX West, South, etc. Oh, interesting. So technically, what's up, TWDWD? Moshi Mush here from yesterday. Oh, it's cool. What's up, dude? Did you change your username? You wish Game Dev was faster, Bamboo? Me too. Me too. Hey, Beetlecore, how's it going? Sorry I missed your message. So I would, in Convention Tycoon, I would consider PAX East, PAX West, PAX South different conventions, which, you know, they kind of really are. But the way the loop works in the game is, say, your first location, so when you first start the game, you're given $10,000. And so the best you can afford is like a Simbi's house. Or you're giving $1,000, the best you can afford is a Simbi's house, right? And then you run your convention, you choose how many days it's going to run for. You run your convention, when that ends, you have to do your convention again using hopefully a bigger location if you made enough money. So your goal is with each convention to make more money so you can try to get to bigger locations or just do the same small location over and over for a little while. TWDW is my best friend. Am I saying it wrong? I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Should we learn C++ or C# for game dev, Brian? C# is easier than C++, and you could use the Unity engine off the bat. If you want to use Unreal, C++ is good. If you want to write your own stuff, C++ is probably better, but you can do C# too. If you it depends on what you want to be. Do you want to be a game? Do you want to be someone who programs games, or do you want to be someone who actually like develops and makes a game and then releases the game? Because if you want to do that, then you might want to go the faster route, unless you want to take a little bit longer and like learn how to code your engines from scratch and stuff. Grow logical locations, exactly, Shub. Which I'm worried about. I'm worried about that mechanic. I'm worried if it's not going to be fun. If it's not, so my backup plan is if it's not fun to have to do the convention over and over and over, is we'll just make you expand the one location you're in. But I want it to feel more like a real convention. I feel like Tycoon games take away so much of what real life is about sometimes, you know? Like in real life, you can't just like grow a hotel for a convention. You could call me 2D Woody? Okay. Alright, 2D Woody. I'm gonna forget that sometimes. You can get Unity's opinion from Quasi and XNA opinion from Mambu. They're both great. XNA is awesome. Monogame is also good. You have a character in the game, Brian? Yeah, anyone who talks in Twitch chat while I'm playing shows up in the convention. Okay, what are we working on? Costs. So, an option panel needs to know private option, current option. On option selected, we're going to say current option equals option. We're going to say panel, set a panel to update cost. So we're going to subtract the cost of our current option, and then we're going to add the cost of our new option. So subtract our previous option, if any, add our new option. This is if current option exists. Not sure what you want to do today, Smart Dev? You can learn how to do the Macarena properly. So you just want to focus on actual game dev instead of building engine stuff. Yeah, exactly, Kirai, exactly. The problem happens, what happens a lot of times if you're spending, especially when you're first just starting out, if you're spending a lot of time coding your engine, it's more of a programming problem than it is like actually designing and developing your game. Now, it's still good to experience that, I think. It's still like, I think it helps you in the long run to just understand what's going on under the hood and stuff. But if your goal is to release a game and you've never made a game before, starting by building your engine is probably going to end up disheartening you more often than not and making you quit because it's so hard to do. I think I've seen a lot of indie devs or prospective game developers quit because they start off just trying to create game engines and all that stuff, and never even get to the game design, the game development part, which is also really, really challenging. It's all hard. All of it's hard. So just because you make a Unity game doesn't mean you have to stick to Unity forever. Just because you make an Unreal game doesn't mean you have to use Unreal forever. But it's just a nice place to start understanding just kind of the process of making a game and releasing a game, which is also really hard. It's all hard. Okay. So... null reference. Never actually set the cost up. That's in our starting panel. Where does the cost come from? Footer. Text. Just this one text right now. Jablate, what's up, dude? It's all hard, just the pep talk I needed. Sorry, Titty Heroes. Back at it again with the game dev. Awesome stats, what's up, dude? Be able to watch or stream much at all because I have school all the days. How late do you stream until Smart Dev? I stream 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. So I'm not sure which time zone you're in, but that's my stream times. Let's just put that like that. That. I feel like we're wasting a lot of space here. Probably like that. And that. I forgot what the third line's supposed to be. I wasn't paying attention. Say cost, rating, and something else? Days, okay. I made some games with Java before I learned C, but I heard C was for better, so I'm thinking to create a bad game as opposed from scratch and move to an engine later. Cool, yeah, that's a good idea. I want these to be left aligned. And I guess this could be right aligned. So again, we're not caring about our UI. Our UI is going to be hideous. Hideous. We're not really caring about how it looks. We're going to worry about that afterwards. We're caring about functionality, and then we could actually plan it out. Treddy Bear, what's up, dude? Another awesome folks that I met at PAX. Why are the costs all $9.99? That seems unrealistic, you jerk. You'll be getting off school Smart Dev. Oh no, I'm sorry. That sucks. That's really bad timing. Very beginning of your Tycoon game. Let's see them all. Ooh. Nice. Looking cool. Got the grid going. Now you can start putting some items down. Your little trash can button. I like it. I like it. Very cool. This is your... It's going to be a Aquarium Tycoon, right? That's the game you're working on? What's up, Kungan? Me and some friends from school are going to do a game in a school project, and I have been tasked with making a save game feature. Any tips on tutorials or guides I can watch to learn how to make one? I can show you how mine works. What are you guys building your game in? And what kind of stuff do you need to be saving? I'm learning myself OpenGL and GLSL in spare time on my spare time because I want to do some crazy stuff in the future. You are insane, Kira. You're insane. Is Java a good language to start with? Yeah. Java's good. I started in Java. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah. I just get hello! Hello, hello, hello! I believe we are being raided by Funny Guy 77. Right? Did I get it right? Did I get it right? Yes. Let's go! Grab your raid tools, jerks! Stetsamondo with the donation! Oh, Stets, thank you so much!
Sorry for being late. Also, the music is awesome today.
You're never late, Stets. Thank you so much for that $1. You're amazing. Guys, we are being raided by Funny Guy 77. We need to take on these jerks. Hashtag fight, hashtag item, or hashtag run in chat to decide what we do with these funny jerks. And Stetsmondo, thank you so very much for that $1. You're amazing, dude. I'm sorry I got overlapped with the raid, but I love you, and you're amazing. We're working in Unity C# and it's just a general save game to a save file. Cool. Kungan, I'll remind me after the raid and I'll show you how I do my save stuff, my save game stuff. There's a really good tutorial for it. Hashtag fight, hashtag item, or hashtag run. Take on these funny jerks. The stream is out to fight. Here we go. Funny Guy, I love your avatar, by the way. Zoot used twerk. Come on, Zoot. Of all the attacks, Funny Guy used Zerg Rush. Not bad. We're pretty close. Pretty even. Pretty even. You better run. No, Woody. All right, round 2. Here we go. Hashtag fight, hashtag item, or hashtag run in chat to decide what to do against these funny raiders. Who is funny? Funny is funny. Funny guy is funny. Never give up. Never surrender. Alright, here we go. Stream decided to fight. Use Rocket Fist. There it is. Boom. Boom, boom, ba de boom, de boom. Ah, phew. We got him. We took him out. We took him out. Funny Guy, thank you so much for that raid. Guys, if you don't know Funny Guy 77, please give him a follow. Super awesome game dev streamer. Is going to be on a panel with me at TwitchCon in 3 weeks. We're going to be talking about developing games live on Twitch. It's going to be me, Funny Guy 77, Starlight Skies, William Shire, Chiente, and Bonozo apps. That always trips me up. Thank you so much for that raid. Please give them a follow. To be fair, again, my spare time is more spent on watching and getting distracted by Twitch streams. Sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Rockets are not my thing. Rockets are Funny Guy's only weakness. We should have all known that. Kungen, right? I was supposed to show you how save stuff works. So this is, there you go. Here is the video for it. This is about serializing data. So you can use player prefs in Unity as well. That's the easiest way to go. What? No, Corvid! You jerk! Three months in a row!
I forgot to cancel again. I guess there's always next month. Smiley face.
No, Corvid, thank you so very much for 3 months of support. I'm glad you forgot to cancel. I did steal your credit card, so now you can't ever cancel it again. Wait, I guess you don't need it to cancel it. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Can we get some hype and hearts in chat for Nil Corvid coming in with 3 months of sub support? You're amazing. Thanks for getting that sub train going again. Okay. I was going to show saving and loading. Do I have that in this game? Oh, crap. It's not in this project, is it? Okay. Kungen, if you check that link I gave you, it's about saving and serializing data in Unity. Essentially, what you do is you create a class that stores all the information for your game. So say, what items does the player have? What was their last HP? What level were they? It depends on your game, I guess. What have they unlocked so far? And then you can serialize that into a save file, which I want to show you it. So let's jump into, let's show you guys something that I've been working on in secret. Ho ho ho. Ho ho. We need Quasi to finish Quasi, but I know we'll get that butt emote soon. We'll get to 100 subs, we'll get that butt emote. Well, actually, technically, we can't actually get a butt emote because it's against the Twitch rules, but we'll get some other emotes instead. Don't know if you saw it, so I'll say it again. Quill18 on YouTube is doing a C# guide for newbies on his channel. Might be something to recommend for people who ask, but haven't checked it out myself yet. Cool, thanks, Nim. If you want to drop that into Discord, I'll give it a watch when I can this weekend. And if it's cool, we can start supporting that as well. What are you going to show on the panel? Just out of curiosity, I don't know. Funny, that's a good question. What are we supposed to show on the panel? I actually don't even know what we're supposed to do on that. We need Quasi. Oh, I read that already. So that's Mono's favorite command. Found this really neat software for procedural art texturing. Cool, thanks, JFrap. Let me jump into this, opening up Sky. Oh no, it's recompiling. Oh no! I was told to show a trailer or something. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm trying to get a trailer done for Convention Tycoon by then. I'll probably show Skyhook because that was made on Twitch. I think that's probably what I'm going to be talking about most on the panel is the development of Skyhook on Twitch. I'll probably show like a short clip of that. Oh, you know what? I'll probably show our Twitch Spotlight video. That'll probably be a good thing to show. If you're beginners, I'd recommend them. Thanks, that's awesome. Okay, so let me show you guys something that I've been working on in super secret. Super duper secret. And this is for Kungen to show you how level loading and saving works. So this is my super not so secret because I totally said it on Twitter the other day. When I was flying back from Seattle after PAX, I started working on a little level editor for the game. So you can put down spawn points, you can put down platforms, it's a regular spawn point. You could put down treasure spawn points, boop, and a boop, and a boop. You could put down sinking platforms. You could put down giant floating platforms. And you could put down all the platforms you want. The game's changed, Geeks. This is a different game that I made. This is Skyhook. It's out on Steam. So I'm showing you guys something I've been working on for that. Will you put fangirls in the game? They like ruin the convention sometimes. Maybe, Brian. Yeah, like fans. that like get crazy over celebrities. Yeah, for sure. I hope to do it if we have time. Anyways, so Kungan, this level editor has saving and loading, so I can save this, and then if I clear it, I can load it, and then it'll load it back up. So I can quickly show you how that works. I have a level loader somewhere in here. Level editor, level loader. I'm glad you showed this. Thanks, Stats. Yeah, I've been working on it just every now and again when I get tired of Convention Tycoon. I put in, like, I've been working on it maybe 2 hours, 3 hours in total. So you heard the blubs, Kira, yeah. So I'll probably put in a few more hours when I can here and there. I think it'd be something cool, mostly for myself, to make new levels, and then if I can get it further along, add some Steam Workshop support to Skyhook would be cool. Visual Studio, where are you at? There we go. So, saving and loading in Unity. Let's get the music back. So here are my saving and loading methods. So it's pretty much exactly what you'll find in the video, in Unity video on saving and loading data for anyone who wants to learn how to save and load stuff. Basically, it just saves to a particular directory. I use the application data path because that's the easiest place to do Steam Cloud stuff. And then I just create my own directory, saves directory, /custom levels. Did I lose weight? I did a little bit, no. Yeah, I lost some weight after PAX. Because I didn't get a chance to like work out or consume as much protein. Going to join the Red Club Potato? What's the Red Club? Oh, the colors. So yeah, so then what you do in Unity is use the binary formatter, which...
Email to a colleague.
Wait, did someone? Song request? No? What the hell? That was weird. Better writing. There's some weird ad. Anyway, you use Unity's binary formatter to format some class into a file, and you can even decide what that file type is. So in Skyhook, I use .sky files, which is awesome. Where do I actually do that? Create directory, file, save some level data.file name. So you can name them whatever you want because they're just serialized data files. So I have a class here called level data and level object, and so I just take all of these. Basically, when I'm saving a level in level editor, I just go over all the things in level and I store them into this one big list of all level objects, and I save that as a file. And then when you load that file back, you can just deserialize it here. So you can see here where I'm loading it. You just find the directory, you load the file, if the file exists, you use the binary formatter to deserialize it, and what you get back is essentially a level data. So essentially you're saving a level data to a file, and you're loading level data back. It can be any class you want. So you can call it save data, butt data, monkey data, exactly what you did, except my file extension is .banana. You're amazing, Bamboo. .banana is perfect. Yeah, for Skyhook I use .sky. For Spooky Tycoon, I used to use .spooky files for Haunted House Tycoon. For Convention Tycoon, we'll probably use .con or something. You call it whatever you want as long as it doesn't cause a problem with the compiler. The may or may not be my fault. So yeah, anyways, hope this helps. If it doesn't, sorry. But yeah, that's saving and loading stuff. We need to actually do saving and loading into Convention Tycoon relatively soon. It's not super important yet because we're not doing anything worthwhile yet. Nothing you can actually save and load. But it'll be pretty easy. We already are... I already thought ahead a little bit, so we're storing all of our files and stuff in different parent transforms. All we have to do is iterate over that transform and see all the boots that exist. The hard thing is going to be saving all the actor stats and stuff, but I guess it's just a big dictionary, so we'll just have to do that. Has the new banana hoodie arrived, Zoot? I don't know. I don't know. You'll call yours not a virus? I'd be careful. That might get picked up by antivirus. What's this? Oops, I wrote a little smiley face in here. Let's go back to our starting panel. Back to our footer. So we need to set up our cost here. So, cost. If you checked out default values with serializers, helps prevent code changes from breaking saves. No, Bamboo! I actually... Wait. Yes? No? Maybe. I feel like I did, but I always forget. I have to look that up because, yeah, it's a huge annoyance with developing a game and then screwing up the save files. I didn't understand that what was going on all during Sky because I would always like hack that in. Set a default value to a property to make it serializable. Yes. Okay, yes, I did learn it. I started doing it toward the ends of Skyhook, but I totally forgot, so thank you for reminding me. I did start doing that toward the ends of my Skyhook save file data stuff. Thanks for reminding me because I totally forgot. You didn't accept your friend and request on Discord? Never. I hate your guts. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Also, I don't get alerts when I get friend requests, so whenever I get back to Discord, I'll see it and probably accept it. Yes? No? Maybe? I'm pretty sure, yeah. So I do know it, but I always forget things I learn. So thank you for reminding me. Please remind me again when we do save and load, because I'm going to forget again. Because that always screws me up. It'll probably help a lot when I start with it. Cool, Kungan, I'm glad. Okay, so we are working on these. So, alright, there we go. My cost is 1,000. Cost is 1,001. Okay. So, we need to know private int days. So total cost equals amount times days. Days equals 1 at start. Total cost equals 0 at start. I didn't have Malcolm in the Middle's themes. Malcolm in the Middle's themes like I had? What? Pretty cool game. Thanks, Nikio. How's it going? Love how you skipped over my last comment stats. What did you say? I'm pretty sure even without Prime, it would have gotten there by now. Oh! I did skip over that. Hashtag unleash the banana. Get out of here. We only unleash the banana for special occasions. He'll whisper you all day talking about boots and pants and noses and butts. Nicky, thank you for the follow. RH Burrows, thank you for the follow as well. Taking Penguin and Woody, thank you for the follow, guys. How long are we working on this game, funny guy? 17 days. This is day 17 of Convention Tycoon. I'm going to try to keep that count as accurate as I can and increment it every time we stream. So, Void, Awake, oh wait, Brave Start Method. Update cost, 0. Public void update days, int amount. Days equals amount. And then we need a days text. Looking good, thanks, funny guy. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm pretty much trying to like jam as much as I can into it so we can make a decent trailer before TwitchCon. Unleash the banana for Zoot's birthday. Crap, we need to break Zoot's card! Is Zoot still here? Zoot, are you still here? Are you dead? Did you die? I hope so. Equals days plus days. Oh wait, we already have days as the title. Oh crap. So this is cost. This is days. Zoot's still here. Okay, stats! No. Messing with networking and trying to figure out network stuff. Damn, JFrap, that's not going to be fun.
We start a special occasion train.
No stats!
Vote
Stat, thank you so much for that $1 again. You're amazing. Keeping up your biggest jerk at 12:44. Thank you so very much. I just got tickets for the SI staff open house at the museum I've been working on. So much hype. Awesome, Neville. That's cool. What's SI? Medisim save file. Too big for pastebin, sadly enough. Oh yeah, right. You've done save files in Tycoon games. Oh, you're doing XML. Damn. Damn. I guess it's cool because it's human readable, kind of. These IDs are insane. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do XML because then people can edit it and just like change stuff. Vote, yeah. You're upset for TwitchCon. You know any of the games that are going besides the ones on the panel, funny guy? Yeah, no.
This is the first acoustic interface that can be used.
What's happening?
It was surprising.
Oh, there's advertisements playing. That didn't used to happen. There's finally ads playing in Ankbot. It's JSON? Oh, sorry. Same thing. Same thing. What's the difference? Pretty sure SI is Sports Illustrated, Shreddy Bear. Other game devs going to TwitchCon. Besides the ones on the panel. Oh, yeah. Ryan Clark, Latch. There was all the game devs I remember meeting at TwitchCon that said, at PAX said they were going to TwitchCon. Smithsonian Institution. The museum is the Smithsonian National Museum of African American History and Culture. Dude, that's awesome, Neville. There's some pretty decent Microsoft standard libraries for serializing to XML. There are, yeah. So I don't want to do XML or JSON because then people can mess with it and like change how much money they have and stuff. Update days. Update days. It's gonna be rating, title. Okay. We're gonna set this, and then we're definitely gonna absolutely make Zoot's birthday card. I'm not a liar, just a hamster. Okay, save. Here we go. We got Photoshop open. Sweet. So, Mr. Zoot, what would you like on your birthday cake today? Happy. I'm gonna brush. Happy not what? Quacks! Oh my goodness, welcome! Welcome to the Jerk Squad, Quacks. Thank you so much for hitting that sub button. You are now officially a jerk on this channel. You have access to our sub-only Discord where you can hang out with me and everybody else in the sub family 24 hours a day, even while we're pooping and sleeping. You also get super cool emotes, the bearded heart, the Dragon Ball hype, the hammerhead what, the cool fin, all those things. Drop them in chat right now to show your love. Thank you. Everybody, please drop some hearts in chat to show your love for Quacks. Thank you so much for supporting the stream. You're amazing. Love the new sub music more than the resub music. Thanks, Stats. Are you airing the stream this soon, Riddler? No, we're making a birthday card. Making a birthday card. We're also celebrating Quacks joining the sub family. Happy not. Did I miss Zoot's cake? Mr. Me, make me a cake look like an operating table mid-operation. You know, patient under green sheet with opening in the middle with a knife sticking out of his stomach. I'm gonna need something shorter than that, Zoot. That's maybe too much. That's for a cooldown sketch. You're pushing the envelope here. Did you do your raid response all custom bot interface? Yeah, it's all made in Unity. The raid and that stuff is all made in Unity. We need you to do it in the banana hoodie potato. Happy not dead. That E is terrible. Dead. Why can't I write? Day. What's going on? Guys, I think my hand... I can't... Oh my god, I can't write! I can't draw! You think Quasi put on a banana hoodie for Zoot's birthday? I said special occasions. Not terrible occasions. It's not that hard, Zoot. Ah, yes it is. Zoot. I'm gonna make your name really tiny over here. Zoot. That's some good handwriting. I don't know what's going on with my hand. It might be the injury. I can't things. Allow me to bow down to you, sir. You are doing what I ought to be doing with my life. I can't art and code. And for some reason I choose to do neither. Treddy, if you can, what, dude, we're a rare breed. Take advantage of it, dude. Banana suit cake, Zoot? Okay, I can do that. I can do a banana suit cake. Why can't I? Oh my god. I can't draw. I think it's over. What the hell? My hand just, it feels like it's someone else's hand. Let me just move over and it literally feels like Full Metal Alchemist style is like someone else's hand on my arm right now, not my own. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's going on, guys. Cancel the stream. I think that's our only option. I think that's our only option, guys. What do you think? Cancel the stream? Just stop streaming forever? Just end it right here? Shoot with the scaredy cat, dude. It makes me so happy every time you drop that. I always forget that it's there and then you drop it and it makes me so happy. For anyone who doesn't know, that scaredy cat emote, if you have Twitch Turbo, you can type the scaredy cat emote, which is an emote that I actually made, which next year, in what's it now? September of 2017, that's going to be a global emote that we made. So whenever you're scared on Twitch, you can use a Quasi TV scaredy cat. That was an interesting career. Damn it, Simbi. Take him out back and shoot him. Tycoon is canceled. That's it. That's it. It's over. We had a good run, I think. Met some cool people. Drew some cool stuff. I don't even know what my hair looks like anymore. GG on a goal. You know, thanks, Brian. Lurkline was dangerous. You know, Harambe? When faces look like boobs? This is not a boob. Oh, I guess it doesn't look like a boob.
Oh, yeah.
Not supposed to, though. Shreddy, thank you for the host, dude. 10 out of 10 would emote again. Not Sacrity Cat, alien. Gosh. Learn how to type. Also, what's up, alien? I can't draw. I think I've lost my ability to draw. This doesn't even feel like my art style, guys. It literally feels like someone else's art style. It's like someone's just gonna jump out of the room and be like, haha, I was here the whole time. Oh my gosh, what's happening? What's happening? I don't know. This is not good. And now I'm scared. Now I'm scared about cooldown sketch. What's gonna happen? What if I've used up? What if every artist only gets like so many drawings in their life, and I used mine up? So Zoot's cake is a severed quasi head, severed quasi banana head. Well, you still draw way better than me, so it can't be all bad. But dude, it's over. I can't draw anymore. It's not the real Quasi. Is he wearing pants? Quasi is failing you on this most special day.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks!
What's up, Ryu? Once the card is done, you can put on the suit. I don't know what's going on. I can't... It just... Everything feels weird. Does that mean I only get X amount of code lines? Right? What if we can all only code or draw so much before it's over? Like, before we just run out of powers. Like, what if that's what's happening to me right now? What if I ran out of drawing power? Are you donate $5 for a cat emote? No, donating, I mean, no, only Twitch Turbo gets the emote, so donating doesn't get you the emote. The banana quasi wizard hat? The sorting hat? I'm hacking into the chip that is implanted in your brain. I control your drawing hand now. Oh no! I can't control myself. Must draw. SpongeBob. Go and head out. Thanks for the stream. I'll make it back later. See you, funny guy. Thanks for the raid. Going for 20 years. Pretty sure I ran out of new code lines a while back. So you're drawing, does that mean the stream is ending? No, we're just drawing a birthday cake, a birthday card for Zoot. And I think it's okay. Gotta make it look like a cake. Happy birthday, Zoot! Glad you're not dead. I'll save this guy out for you. Sorry, my arm failed you on your special birthday. Tip of the banana should be on fire, not a separate candle. Ooh, that's a good idea, Nim. That's a good idea. It's got a little wick in there. Or you know what? There. Now it's a flaming quasi banana. Gonna make another year, one more years of work. No! You jerk!
D. Send Kazi to art school fund.
No, Corbett, thank you so much for that $3, you damn jerk. Send Quasi to art school? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say about my drawing? Is it not good? Do you not like it? You guys gonna get some love in chat for no Corbett coming in with those $3. I can't even paint bucket for my life. Player 2 ready, thank you for the follow. Legendary Prez, thank you for the follow. Internet Hero, thank you for the follow. Eric Dougal, thank you for the follow. I'm gonna make another year, one more years of work on Medisim. And then you're dead, and then it's over. Mics are important? What do you mean? Oh, the microphone. Yes. Yes. I used to have a not good microphone. And then Kira made me get a good microphone. You're enjoying the stream, geek? Well, in that case, we gotta make the stream weird. We gotta start making the stream, like, really, really weird. I can get away with potato mics? Phantom Potato? Have a subscriber, follower. Oh, no worries, Geek Circle. Ooh, I got some new, the asset pack for these characters came with some new stuff. Look at this sweet crown. Look at this street, like, dragon cosplay, or whatever this guy's supposed to be. Okay, Geek Circle, thank you for the follow. We are working on butts. Cost, yes. Cost and days. So we'll bring up this window again. So cost is 0, cost is 99. Oh, god damn it. Update days to 1. We need to update rating as well. The Simbi shots at everyone. What? I'm wearing pants. You could use some new pants. Hit me up. So I don't think we. Yeah, I guess we'll keep track of it. Probably want to make a class out of this soon. Private int reading. I think these should actually just go inside of con info. Cause I think we have a reference to that. Rating equals rating. Out of 5. What's up, Snappy? How's it going? Your next year you're blown away? I'm working hard on a pants gun. A pantsing gun to counter the pants gun. Okay, so update the rating at start. We'll save a rating of 1. And yeah. So we have a class called Con Info, I believe. It's called Game Info Panel. Just con name, current money. No, that's not the class. Where is it? Game Manager. Info? Game Info? Yeah. Game Info has convention name, time, money, email. I feel like this needs to know... No, I guess not. Not yet. Okay. This is starting to become very specific too. This whole setup panel. Where'd it go? It's all gone. I lost it. There we go. Days, cost, or anything. But all right, whatever. Let's keep going. Your cat is pretty chubby. What? Okay. Cost 0, rating 5. So if we go to a Simbi's house, the cost is $500 per day. We go to Power Ups HQ, $1,000. Back to a Simbi, $500. Back to Potato, $3,000. Can we mess it up? No? Okay. And if we go to Shub, it's $100 extra. Zoo is only $1 extra. And Bamboo is $150 extra. Now this is going to have to be toggles instead of buttons, but we'll worry about that later. What's up, Banjo? It's your cat's birthday? Happy birthday to your cat, Geek. I'm going to put a days thing in there. It's going to be in location. So I feel like you should choose your days inside the location for now. Should you? Or should you choose days at the end? Or at the beginning? Remember the hard game, Banjo? We canceled it. It just, after prototyping it for a while, it just wasn't very fun. I couldn't see it being much as fun as I wanted it to be. It wasn't fun to work on, and it wasn't fun to play, in my opinion. If you haven't been in here a while, let me show you where we are with Convention Tycoon. The chat's gotten a bit weird. Not weird enough, Potato. Not weird enough. This is Convention Tycoon, a game where you can build your own video game convention. You might have seen it before. We started working on it before the Haunted House Tycoon game. Chat is always weird. Chat was never normal. You can also hire security guards, staff members to help out.
Yeah.
And Wheeze, thank you for the host! Welcome everybody from Wheeze's channel. You're just in time to see a demo of Convention Tycoon, a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. So we've chosen these booths, Bloodberry, Star Booze, and Underkill to show at our convention. Our hauler is currently carrying crates over here, over to the booths to help them set up. Our patrons are heading to the booths to hang out. You can also set up food stands for them to buy food. So we'll set up a pizza shop over here. And you can give them a ball pit for the ultimate fun. We'll be back in 1 minute, 30 seconds. Alright, see you, Wheeze. Why isn't our selection thing working all the time? Something crazy going on with our frame rate as well. Probably because our frame rate's not working. The NPCs can also use the bathroom, if they so please. Is it Twitch or Polycount? It's something, I don't know what's going on with the game. It's probably because I'm streaming, which takes like all my resources. What are you looking at, P-Psych? This is Convention Tycoon, a game where you manage your own video game convention. Unity engine, MZ. Let's turn off some of our camera effects. Maybe those aren't good to have on while streaming. Fireworks competition. That's gonna be loud. I didn't cancel my landscape. It's in the store now. Ooh, can we see Banjo? You want to share a link? Can you buy industrial quantities of hand sanitizer? That's a good idea for an item to place. Is hand sanitizer stations, and they'll help reduce the chances of your NPCs getting sick. That's a good idea. Welcome back, Wheeze. Did the stream die? Hope not. Can you guys still see me? Oh, nice. PBR Wasteland Landscape. Looks cool, dude. I think our frame rate might be suffering a little bit when I'm running the game. That's not good. That's not good at all. All you're seeing is a flying beard? I'm actually just a flying beard.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Harley Difficult, thank you for the host! How am I doing, Rodolph? I am doing awesome. How are you doing? HD2, I know, what a crazy day. Welcome. How much alpha do you want to make with all that zeros? What? Oh, I see what you're saying, the version number. Good day to be a quasi? It's always a good day to be a quasi, Bamboo. If you work hard, you can be a quasi too. I was gonna say a Bamboo too. Welcome everybody from Harley Difficult's channel. Hello, hello, hello. You are watching Quasi TV, and we are currently working on Convention Tycoon, a game where you create and manage your own video game convention. If you chat in Twitch chat right now, you'll show up in the convention as a con goer with a little box on your head because you're ashamed to be at this convention. You can do things like buy booths, set them up, invite different developers and vendors and all kinds of people and artists to come to your convention. I'm looking suit! Guess we've got to start developing an infinite runner. Just remember that we have to figure out what's going on with the cap. What? Is that a hardly difficult joke? Secret Quasi is we are all a Bamboo? Hello, peoples! It has a box, yes! You can also buy your convention goers food. You can hire staff members and security guards, etc., etc., etc. So we're currently working on actually setting up our convention, choosing the location, and inviting famous jerks, aka inviting guests. So far what we have is NPCs who have different stats, things like happiness, food, water, and energy. They also have a bathroom stat. When they go to the bathroom, you'll see that once they've drank a lot or eaten a lot, they'll have to go to the bathroom and they'll head over there. And is anyone going to the bathroom? Nope, he's just wandering around. He's just headed to this booth. We got one booth right now at a convention, which is probably not a good look. So let's put the giraffe entertainment booth down. It's awesome. Thanks, Grindel. You want to get some butts internet lives? Yeah, so our inventory for all our NPCs is currently just butts. That's all they got. You can also follow an NPC so the camera will track them. So we'll get someone who's moving, so our camera will track them. You can pick them up and put them down wherever you want. My favorite thing is you can actually look through the eyes of one of our congoers. Look at all these Twitch jerks. Get out of my convention! Get out of here! You're not welcome! Best place to randomly explore the bathroom. Yes, exactly. Someone's walking around with a pitchfork? Yeah, there's some farmer cosplays at our convention. Just one with all those viewers, I think it's time for Quasi TV banana costume. Damn it, Zoot! Twitch nerds! The game gives me social anxiety. I'm sorry, Peace. That's actually a good effect. Just like a real video game convention. Let's put down a pizza shop. And some bean bags to eat your pizza. Oh, these guys are going at it. Will I be able to change how I look via the chat? No, not yet. Not chat. Maybe someday. What is this, Morbidless? This is Convention Tycoon. Imagine this with VR support, Ginger Chicken. Oh my goodness. I don't know how the frame rate would work. Can you drown an NPC, Rodolph? No. No. There's no drowning. It's a convention. There's no bodies of water. You can, however, order a pizza and bananas from this here pizza banana shop. Can you get a scaredy cat cosplay outfit? Will I already use Wonker? I'm using the Unity engine with C#. Okay, let's get back to work. Welcome everybody from all these channels. You guys are all amazing. Thank you so much, Highly Difficult, for that host. You're an awesome, awesome, awesome dude. Where's your banana costume, Tiny Roblox? You have to get one. You have to be like me and get one. Build a fountain of blood. Leonard, Spaceball Babing, Oliver Show, Internet's Live, Geek Circle, thank you for the follow, guys. You could draw them in balls in the ball pit. Yeah, there is a ball pit. Boop. Okay, so we're working on... Oh, days. We're going to add days to our thing. So, starting panel. I think it makes sense to be in the location. I think over here on this panel, in this view. So we create UI. What would it be? I guess an input field with a button? Yeah, like one of these. Thanks for the where I appear out of nowhere and start bustling these NPCs. You're welcome, internets. I need one in-game banana. We don't actually have banana because stats! God damn it!
Boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants. Cars I love, cars I love, cars I love also. Banana hoodie time.
Damn it, Stutzmondo! Thank you so very much for that $1.56. Very specific donation amount. Guys, can we get some love in chat for Stats coming in with another donation? Hashtag banana costume. Damn it, guys! Trying to make some games here. Trying to make some damn games. This is gonna be the how many days your convention is thing. Which wasn't so much damn padding. I think 3-3. And belt buckle, of course. I want a banana belt buckle. And we're gonna add a button on this side. It's gonna be a plus button. You guys are not building the common like plus minus deal. Oh, actually, should it be plus on this side or plus minus on both sides? I always forget which is the better usability thing. What do you guys think? Plus minus on the right side? Why is that not fitting? 20? Being a game, but you're also damn distracting. Sorry, JFrap. How went PAX, Rodolph? It was so good. So good. PAX was amazing. I got to meet a lot of amazing streamers and game devs. Hung out with some awesome, awesome folks. Met a lot of cool guys at Twitch. It was to get me to $15. Oh, okay. I see that now, Stats. Sorry, I did not think before. You're an awesome, awesome dude. Thank you so much for that support. Hey, JJ. How's it going? So plus minus. And shrink these down, I guess. I'm gonna hate having to remake all this UI with real UI. Allowed to post links. I have a banana belt buckle for you, Brian. I guess that's pretty relevant. So sure, you can post a link of a banana belt buckle, but I'm not getting it. What is this? Days to, I don't know, rent or whatever. What do you call what we're doing here? Days to rent. Walmart banana belt buckle. Okay, that's pretty legit. Buckle Rage banana belt buckle. But wait, what do you do with the buckle? How do you put that on a belt? Now that's modern fashion. Stack mine so you can quickly between up and down without moving your cursor much left and right. Looks much cooler though. Yeah. Let's see how it feels, I guess. How's the game coming along, Currency? It's coming along good. We're currently working on some of the options. Yeah, it's just so tiny. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do here yet. Well, we're gonna put this like here for now. We need to, I don't know, ask Siri. We need to, I don't know, we'll figure out the full UX for this place later. We're gonna focus on the... What?
I don't know what the deal is with banana hoodies, but I agree.
Jay Grindle coming in with 1985. I think that might have been the first time we've actually seen that donation animation too. Thank you so very much. Holy crap. Stealing away the biggest jerk position. Mentioning the damn banana hoodie. I don't know what the deal is with banana hoodie, but I agree. Damn it, Jay! Why would you support this monstrosity that is the hashtag banana hoodie? Thank you so much for your support, guys. Can we please get some hearts and love in chat for Jay coming in with 1985, the ultimate year in life, in all of life. Thank you so much for your support, dude. And please, please, don't be a supporter of the banana hoodie. Please, oh please. Please, oh please. Hashtag banana hoodie. Damn it, Jay! Thank you so very much. God damn it. Why? Why, guys? Why, Zoot? Why, Stets? Why do you guys have to do this to people? Why can't we just forget? Why can't we all just forget that that even is a thing? Update days. Okay, so we're gonna do with this button. What we need is a calendar view because scheduling is about more than just number of days. You also have to plan which to optimize your attendee schedule. Yeah. So originally, Neville, I was gonna do like you actually have a calendar and you choose what month and what week and day and stuff like that you're gonna have the convention. For the sake of the prototype, it's pretty unimportant because all that really matters right now is just how long your convention is going to be. We don't have seasons yet. We don't have any of that stuff going on. And also don't want to get like it seems like because we have to program the whole calendar system and stuff like that. So for now, we're just going to do like just how many days is your convention going to be deal. I don't support the banjo hoodie. Thank you, Banjo. Finally, somebody's on my side. Somebody's on my side. Damn it. Finally. It's getting really hot in here. Is it hot in here or is it just me? We need a reference to the input field. How does it work? I think you can set the text for it. Probably. I bought you that dang thing. At least you can do is wear it for his birthday. Stats, why you gotta be such an instigator, man? Zoot ain't say nothing of the kind. The knuckle crack was real. Sorry, Riddler. Look, it is 102 degrees in here. You guys want me to put on a hoodie? Are you that cruel? Are you really that cruel? Private input field. Day field. I think you can set the values for it. Day fields dot set. No. Dot value. No. Let's see. Unity input field set value. Sounds like you need a hashtag banana to cool you off. You jerks. Oh, there's a text value. Dot text equals amount. Objectively is subjective. We have on deselect, rebuild on pointer on submit on pointer click. Move text and okay. How does this work? Happy day of your birthday, Day Solomon. It's not my birthday. It's Zoot's birthday. So on value changed. We're gonna call starting panel update days. And same with this, I guess. Date days. Need you to imagine something for me, putting a cocktail stick under under your toenail and kicking something? Why would I do that? Ow! Why would you make me imagine that? Now my toe kind of hurts. Shiwako, what's up, dude? Riddler, damn, what? You messed up, man. That's messed up. How long does it take to get added to Discord, Smart Dev? Usually like an hour or two. I can try to refresh the servers. As long as you integrate it with your Twitch account, you should get access to it fairly within like an hour. But let's refresh our subs. Force. Force. Okay, it's trying to. I think it just caught you. Woody, thank you for the follow. Jesse Jason, thank you for the follow. Dastamon, thank you for the follow as well. Update days. Okay. Now what's weird is this is 0. Wouldn't it just pass in the value of the input field? What is a banana hoodie thing? Corvus, we don't have to talk about it. 4, 5, yeah, that's so dumb. That's so dumb. Alright, what we can do is make a method here. Call public void set day, or yeah, we'll still call it update days. And no. Public void update days field. Doesn't take a parameter. You could just drag and drop fonts into Unity Mall, and it should be right there. We just get day field. Oh, I have to make that I have to make that numeric. Content type numeric, integer number. And so we'll say int days equals, oh, it's already a variable. Say days, or rather update days, and we'll cast an int to our days field dot text. No, can't do that. Stats! God damn it.
Kazi, stop being a jerk and get the hoodie. Hashtag Zoo deserves better.
Damn it, Stats! Thank you for that $5. Holy crap. Stealing back the biggest jerk, guys. Can we get some love and chat for Stetsmondo? Pushing his banana propaganda. What is this program, Mr. Board? This is Visual Studio. Stats, thank you so much for that $5. You're amazing, dude. You've already given so much money today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Zoot does definitely not deserve better. In fact, Unity string to int. I think if anything, Zoot deserves worse. I should probably take off more banana hoodies since Zoot's around. I didn't realize that's overlapping. Get the hoodie. Hashtag Quasi needs a new banana hoodie. Alright, here's the deal. How many people are watching the show? God damn it. If we get 20... we got 27 Hashtag banana hoodies in chat. 27. Text. It's a string. Int.try parse. Oh, it's a bool. Damn it! I just wanted to. Okay, do int.parse. I don't have to try parse. Parse. Cause I know it's gonna be an int. 1, 2, 3, 4. No doubles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I really need like a better system for counting this.
Mind tricks don't work on me. Only money.
Jay!
No, 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 no.
Shoob! I lost count. Damn it, I lost count. Jay, thank you so much for that Watson donation. Shoob, thank you for those 200 cheers.
Hashtag banana hoodie hype.
Thank you so very much. How I don't know how much we're at right now. I think we're at like 5. I think we're at like 5 so far. Need to change this to say update days field. Can somebody who I can actually trust count for me? I can't trust any of you, as far as I can throw you. This update based on that text. Let's try this. We're at exactly 27. I'll count for myself. (13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Roughly 5. Thanks, Bamboo. At least somebody's honest with me. So... no reference exception, okay. 21, yeah. Guess it's not happening. It's not meant to be. It's a problem. UI input field, send on value changed. Okay, let's do it on... What the hell? Deactivate input field, send on submit, Unity event, invoke, set a panel. Huh. Guess because they're trying to parse this in integer. I assumed, hold on, I thought we were doing this wrong. Unity input field should be much better at setting its information. I really want to see the hoodie, but I don't want to get heat stroke. Thanks, Bamboo. At least you kind of care about me. Opposed to all these other guys. Use text property input field component itself, and text property use text of the input field. Okay. String input equals days field. Oh, maybe it's not assigned? Easy, not assigned. Okay, I never actually signed it. Whoopsie daisies. My fault. My fault. So we can only do this if not string.is null or empty input. And this default value should be 0. I don't know how to set the default value. Emojis in Visual Studios? Where? Is they feel that text a text object? Yes. I think. There we go. Okay, goddamn it. Finally. 7. 71. 1. Okay. Where did you see emojis in my text? I want them. Update days field. Days equals amount. Okay. Weren't there emojis in your autocomplete? Was there? What was I typing? If not, string dot is null or empty? Not sure what you saw. Input, days field. Okay, I guess we're good. We just need to update that button. So these are both going to go to the panel. Update days. This is the plus button, so it would be 1. And this is -1. Oh crap, it's a different method. This would be set days. Pass time to confirm drunk. What's up, Redeemer? This is Visual Studio in the Unity engine. Thanks, Potato. Cooldown. Gosh, we're getting a lot of tools commands today. Let's just adjust the cooldown on that command. It's a pretty important command. Damn it! Alright, I lowered the command, the cooldown on it for next time. Damn it, Brian! Is there any emoji-based code languages? I don't know, Solomas. I can't imagine that'd be easy to work in. Set days to 1. And set days should... Set days... We can say day field dot text equals days dot toStrang. Runs to the laboratory, programming laboratory.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks. Look at me.
I'd be a bit like a more emotional version of I imagine. Do not want. Yeah, that'd be really intense. What's up, stats? I lost my stylus container. Okay, so this increments that, but not this. This increments that, and this doesn't. This increments that. Okay. So update days should also do this. Okay, there we go. 1-to-1 ratio. So. Phantom Potato's house now costs $3,000 per day. So if that's 2 days, the cost is not updating. Okay, so with days, we need to update the cost as well. Shit. So update days, we can update cost to 0. Damn it. We need to set costs. Public void set cost. And basically, shit. Okay, we need to be storing our base cost. What program should I download to program C++ language? Visual Studio is pretty good for anything. So doing total cost, we should be doing base cost. And we add to base cost. And then we present that as base cost times days. So we'll just write that here. Private int total cost. Returns base cost times days. So set cost, base cost. We don't need this yet. Or use a compiler and then use text editor. That works too. Okay, so no more total cost. So whenever we update cost, we update the base cost. And that way, when we update days, the base cost should update. So we can just update the cost to 0. That should work. Moon and Corvus and Soup World. Thank you for the follows, guys. Okay. So our base cost is $1,000 per day for 1 day. 2 days, 1 day. 7 days, $7,000. Simbi's house is $3,500. 2 days is $1,000. All right, and if we hire Zoot for $1 per day, it's $1,000 in 2 days because it's 2 days. Okay, cool. So now our cost is we have one base cost, and we just multiply that by how many days we have. What are some good programs for Mac? Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text. I mean, if you're using Unity, Monodevelop is built in, but there's some better ones. There are no good programs for Mac. All right, and yeah, all right. So we've got inviting jerks. Right now we can only invite one because we didn't make this toggles yet. We've got choosing a location. We've got to actually do setting the name. Hey, Com, how's it going? Say public void set name. This is going to be another input field. This is going to be con name field. Challenge accepted. So I don't know how we actually set the convention's name. I know there's a thing to do it though. It's probably not in the game manager. Game info panel. Update con, update name. Update day, update money. So when does this get called? Update name. So we'll go to our setup panel. Where the hell do we get a reference to this guy? The UI controller, okay. So game manager.minstance.ui.coninfo.update name. So string con name equals con name field.text. Using Xcode on Mac, does you prefer to code? Yeah, Xcode's pretty cool too. What was the Unity version, Bellator? 5.3. Still on 5.3. The only way I haven't moved to 5.4 yet because I have to update Skyhook, which is my other game on Steam. I have to update that to 5.4 if I'm going to update, and it's going to cost. It has already caused some issues, so I reverted back to 5.3 until I have time to fix all those 5.3 upgrade issues. I mean, I don't really need anything in 5.4, and I think 5.5 is still in beta. What I really want is the line render is from 5.5. That's going to be amazing. Alright, and so now here for our name, input fields, on value changed, we're going to call starting panel dot update name, set name. See how that works. I just want to hit on Game Maker. Game Maker is amazing. A lot of great games made in Game Makers. Oh, just set it up. Starting panel, con name. There we go. So now we can name our convention StatsCon. StatsCon. Name this StatsCon. You see the name updates over there. Next, and blah, and next. We don't actually have a finish for this. What's the location of Power Audio? Riddler! Oh my god, a riddle!
It's been a little while. I hope this will bring a smile.
Riddler coming in with a brand new riddle. From the Riddler. Oh my goodness, a binary riddle. For anyone who's holy crap. Thank you so very much for that $5, guys. Can we get some hearts in chat for the Riddler, who loves to riddle our fancies. So if you're unfamiliar, the Riddler comes up with decryption and encryption riddles. The Riddler, aka Zoot. Give me a pro for $1. It is on the home bundle. Yeah, you should totally do it if you want to get into making games. So the Riddler likes to encrypt in like 6 different encryptions or something on some text, and then if you decrypt it, we usually do a thing. And I think what we'll do is if someone gets it, we'll give them a Skyhook Steam key if they don't already have one. Binary? Oh gosh, the emote. This is going to be a 12-day convention, $36,000, all the money I have. Okay, so StatsCon. If you guys want to figure out the riddle, the link is in chat to the paste bin. I have no idea how it works, and I've never actually solved one. But you guys can do it. Uh-oh, looks like Brian and Stats are making out. Oh, that was Brian and Potato, actually. Alright. So what we need to do is do something else. So we have... Oh, we need to set ticket prices. I'm assuming that can go in the first panel. It's kind of confusing UX-wise. Do you set your ticket price after you've booked the location? So you can try to figure out how much money you're going to get back? But the best place to do it so far is this blank space here. Binary brain freeze? Boxes are OP. Now what I need to do is create my own little generic script for this button thing, because we're going to want to use it in other places. Thanks for the false make-out accusation. Sorry, Stats. I didn't mean to tarnish your political career. I also want to change the way these buttons work. So now they're kind of ugly. If I'm not using the emote as you envision, then feel free to de-emote you. I didn't emote you in the first place. What is the second layer? I don't know. I don't know. Ah, so when you go back, how does this work? I wonder how that's being highlighted. Interesting. Let's make that a draggable window, because it's kind of annoying that I can't move it. Ah, that feels better. Making a web browser. Okay. So... we're gonna make a separate page for marketing budget? I think so. I don't know how we're gonna do like errors. Like it doesn't. I guess the next button won't show up until you select one of these, probably. How many layers of encryption are there? That's a good question. Is Zoot gonna give us a hint onto how many layers of encryption there are? Or is he just gonna be a jerk? So I want to turn these, I'm going to create a panel out of this. Panel. I'm going to call this number button. I'm going to put this button in the input field inside of it. And the text as well. That's a number button. gonna look like that. Let's say 0, 0, 100 by 100. Don't actually know the size. We'll reset all these values. So it'll be text first, followed by the input field, followed by the 2 buttons. Was Blizzard going to tell you how to mind using Scaredy Cat? No, I was actually commissioned by Twitch to create them. So Twitch told me what they wanted for the emote, and it was a Scaredy Cat to use like for horror games or scary situations, etc. And so I just made it based on their specifications. So it actually wasn't my my idea for emote. They hired me to do the art for the emote. Your donation size will indicate how many encryption layers are there. No, so you don't have to do that. Always about the size of the suit. Okay, this will be a number button, so we can do this more generically. This way, these 2 buttons, instead of connecting to some other class, we can use them whenever we want by connecting them to the number button. We have a new class here. Let's call this number button. So I'll have public void increment, public void decrement. Donation you already did. Oh, okay. Oh, that was clever. Public void set value. Right, and so all the stuff we did in the setup panel here, we'll do it in number button. So instead of having a day field, we'll have a serialized private number button, day button. And so now here we'll set on update days, we'll set day button dot set value to days. And here we'll have a input field, input, oh, it's actually going to be get value. Set value is just going to be input.text. Input. Oops. Text? Hey. Oh, it's because of these errors. Let's erase those. Input.text equals amount.toString. Oh, it's my favorite songs on this playlist. So it's going to be get value. Public get value. String input is going to be our input.text. And if it's not null or empty, then we're going to return an integer value of input. String input.text. Let's just do this. I studied this in college. I should know this. You should. Stats! Alright, Sky Kyle, check it out in a second.
In all seriousness, I wanted to thank you for the many hours of entertainment you've given me and all the other jerks. You're an awesome dude.
Stats, I don't believe you for a second. I know damn well that's just a bribe for the banana hoodie, you jerk. Thank you so much for another $5. Holy crap. Scooping up that biggest jerk one more time. Stats Mando coming in with another $5. Guys, you can get some hearts in chat. Check out the second layer posted by Nikia. Okay, I will in a sec. Oh, cool. I don't even know what to do with this. But guys, please get some love in chat for Stats Mando. Coming with another $5. You're amazing. Thank you so much for your support. And I don't believe you for a damn second. I know it's just for the banana. I know. Skycod, I really like what you do. Quasi TV, I have create my game too. Cool, Skycod. What's your game? Oh, sweet. First person adventure. Hashtag banana if you want. Nice. It was like a survival game. Sweet. Whoa, naked guy! Naked guy! Oh, he's wearing clothes now. Construction? You spelled it wrong. Very cool, dude. That's like a big game. Are you guys working on it? Are you working on it by yourself? So we're gonna make this a public int get else return 0. Current value, set value, increment, and decrement. So we're gonna say your shit. Say set value, current value plus plus, and current value minus minus. With a friend too? Cool. That's who's the first one to crack it? I know the claim the reward from me already owns it. Gotcha. And yeah, she. That's Bamboo is she, and she's awesome. If you guys don't know That's Bamboo, by the way, she's also took some leaps as also an amazing game dev streamer here on Twitch, so please give her a follow. That's Bamboo was the first one to figure out. Awesome. Congrats, Bamboo. You're amazing. You beat all the other jerks to the punch. Okay. Increment, set value, current value, plus plus. This is an int. It's a problem. To get. Has no setter. It is read only. Cannot be assigned to. Oh, I see. +1. -1. Using a custom color theme or is down for somewhere? Yeah, I'm using VS4. Guys, you just need to connect these buttons to a number button. So these should not connect to this. Oh god. This isolated number button. This will be increment, and this one will be decrement. Input field should also now connect to number button. I guess a number button will need a delegate to call whatever it should call when it's done. And then our starting panel will need a reference to this number button.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks! Look at me!
What's up, Rassel? Okay. No reference except oh, never set the input in the text. So input field, input. Hey, Rassel! Okay, so this now increments and decrements that. They're just not connected to this, so for that we'll write a little delegate thingy to make it appear and reappear. But first, I must use the bathroom. Wild Bear art! Channeling inspiration, steal. Wait, Wild Bear! You don't have to do that anymore. You can actually use the global emote for give energy. Alright, I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Don't go away! Don't die while I'm gone. Back in a second. Hate this mic. I'm back. Happy birthday. What did I miss? What did I miss? Why are two people having boxes on their heads? Because boxes. Why didn't I follow you before Zoot Street? I don't know what it is. Hashtag quasi poop. Oh, nah, I was drinking some water. Okay. Let's get back to work. Oh, so I found a round of water. So what the box is happening here? What's up, Scales? What are we working on? Oh, yes, this. So we turned this into a generic function to create these buttons. Or a generic kind of item thing. Let's actually make this a prefab. Called it number button. We're going to use that there. Now, a number button needs to know who to call. So we'll say private unity event. Unity event on changed. And whenever the value is changed, we'll invoke on changed. So we use Unity's UI stuff. There's a lot to it. A lot more than I know sometimes. Like there's a cool like layout stuff and like the grid tools and all these. There's like a toggle thing which I don't quite understand. But I added a Unity event here, so now we can just create a new one, pretend it's a regular button, and say whenever this number button is changed, call the setup panel's set days. No. Setup panel. God damn it. It's not gonna work. We got setup panel update days or something? Update days. No, that's the thing too. What do we do? Setup panel. Set days, update days field. What about get days? Sent you a link on Discord, forgot to say earlier. Cool, thanks man. So then we'll say, oh, this is going to be recursive, which we don't want. So that goes away, and that goes away, and this goes here. dButton.currentValue. Yeah. Whenever our days are changed, we'll call setup panel dot get days. Can anyone request songs? No, it's just, or are you discriminating non-quasis because only you can? I am, yeah. No non-quasis allowed. Okay, cool. Now, maybe we could set a min and a max on this thing too. Number, read only, caret width, I guess not. Hide mobile input, placeholder, character limit. I guess we can't actually do it on the code. So can we do a number button then? Still a prize to be claimed in the riddle from the riddle? Yes! No one solved the riddle yet other than Bamboo, who did solve it, but unfortunately she couldn't get the prize, which sucks. Private max amount, or let's say max, and, or sorry, private int max and min. You give up, potato. Still going, Brian? Say amount. Mathf.clamp max and min. Amount between min and max. Make sure we clamp our values. Do you think if this should be a slider instead of a days? I guess if you ever want to have a convention that's 100 days long. Can we type infinity here? No. It's 99 and 0. Okay, cool. Can't go past 0. And then we want to set the value to 1 at start. So set days. Get days, set days, get days, set days. So we'll just put it up here. We'll just say, what? Latch! Don't listen to this dude, he knows nothing, you jerk! Latch coming in with that brand new sub. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. Guys, if you don't know Latch and friends, it is an amazing, amazing, amazing show here on Twitch. An amazing game dev who I had the very displeasure of meeting at PAX. He's probably one of the worst people on Twitch. I would avoid him in his stream at all costs, but at least give him a follow. Make him feel good about himself. Latch, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. You now have access to our sub-only Discord where you can hang out with me, all the other jerks, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, when I'm sleeping, eating, or pooping. You can also drop some super cool emotes now, like the Bearded Love, the Noseless Quasi, and the Hammer Watt, one of the best emotes in the world. Welcome to the Jerk Squad. Quasi TV will pay for tissues. Wait, why do we need tissues? Why do we need tissues? You are the worst. You are. Thank you so much for that sub, dude. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's your stream? Are you back? Did you get back from PAX? Did you stream today? How's your travel back to Beyond the Wall? Beyond the Wall in Canada, in Canada. What's it called? Day button dot set value to 1. Remember to use exclamation? You're such a bad influence. Such a bad influence. Let's drop a caster command there for Latch. If you guys don't know, Latch and Friends. It is one of the worst shows on Twitch. Okay, there we go. So now our button starts at 1, and our day started at 1, and we can increment it. So we have a nice little generic button thing here we could use in our future UI stuff. Tomorrow will be your first stream, the podcast with the entire team. Oh yes, cool. So are you guys streaming it on Latch and Friends, or are you streaming it on a Berserk Studio account that's going to be separate? Wait for other people to fall in love with exclamation butt. If you love it so much, Seth, you should just marry it. Bad influence? No. Of course not. Of course not, dude. Okay. So for anyone who hasn't seen this game before, this is Convention Tycoon. A game where you create and manage your own video game convention on kots.tv. Oh, okay. Oh, Knights of the Stream.tv. Gotcha. Gotcha. Server account just for those podcasts. Cool. Wait, what's the Twitch account? Feel free to drop a link in chat. So this is a game where you create your own video game convention. You bring in your guests, who in this case are Twitch streamers with box, or Twitchers with box on their heads. There's Latch, the box on his head. So it's a happy life with butts. So happy when Butt says yes. That's why you're role-playing. Prempador and Fart Collector, thank you for the follows, guys. MJ Little, you too. Stefan23, you as well. So Savannah has 3 beautiful children. Dies a happy man. Oh, who's buying some pizza? There's Stefano buying some pizza and some bananas. All I'll do is convince you to wear weird costumes, make commands that doesn't make sense, and make games that includes toilets. Yeah, you're a great influence. Oh look, why is this guy trying to go to the bathroom? Humphrey! You don't eat in the bathroom, Humphrey. She's good at waiting on the deliveries, cool. Okay. So days. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use the same number thing to do days on the cost of ticket price. Yeah. So now now we have number button, we can steal it, add it to our first one. We can put ticket price here. Ticket price. Is it ticket? What do you call the thing at conventions? Registration price? Pass price? What do you call it when you go to buy stuff? Tickets? I guess TwitchCon calls it tickets. Tickets, pass, badge, price, ticket price. I don't know. But this one, now we have a number button, a generic number button. We can set the max value to 999999999. Min to, I guess 0 if you really are going ham. Why not? We don't want to take it away from them. If people want to have a free convention, they should have a free convention. Entry fee works too, yeah. 44 sub gold. Time for a banana suit. What? Is that gonna be our new thing? After some work. See you, Latch. Have a good one, dude. Thank you so much for that sub. Oh, Latch, you're the best. Well, I forgot the second part of that. You're the best. And something. Only inside. Damn. Damn. My organs are pretty beautiful. I would say so. Particularly my long intestine and my left lung, I think, are particularly attractive. So this is gonna be our ticket price. Ticket. You're gonna need this to connect up to starting panel as well. Say public void get ticket price. I really hate that it looks like input fields can't send data back. So dumb. So dumb. Are you the only one decrypting, Brian? I'm not sure. Or to wear the banana hoodie if you reach sub goal times 2. Banana suit! No, I burned the banana suit after I got the banana hoodie. I thought that was... It's gone forever. So this is the number button, day button, and ticket button. Now we're going to say int ticket price. Ticket price equals ticket button dot current value. Minimum value for the rent time is 0. If you use minus, you're supposed to be able to rent for no time. Good call. No, I think it should. Yeah, it should be 1. Should be 1. Good call. Good call. Good call. Says he burned the banana suit. Damn it. I can't win. I can't win. Yeah, you're right. This should be 1. You can't have a 0-day convention, can you? Good call, MJ Little. Or MJT Little? Yeah, so no less than 1 days to rent. Ticket price should start at 0 also. This should set button days. This should be days. And days should be 1.
Let's suppose that you're writing a really important email to a colleague.
MJT Little, cool. I keep missing the T because I just want to say a little as fast as
Facebook
possible.
That all your friends will
Ads! Why start at 1? Wait, god damn it. Is this a prefab problem? Min 0. Oh, it is a prefab problem. Well, goodbye, prefab. I was trying to solve the road. Cool, Calm. Taking so long to load? What are you loading, X-Master? What the hell? Oh, yeah. Why did it start at 1? Oh, because it is 0 to begin with. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm not... Set value isn't setting the actual text value, is it? Well, text amount up to string. Not min max. On change of vote. Is music too loud? Sorry, I raised it up for that one song and I forgot to lower it down. Thanks, Nim. Because music is awesome today. Agreed. Why isn't this getting set to 0? Set value clamps the amount and sets the text. Missing a reference? No. No. Probably shouldn't have believed that prefab. It's not setting the value on start. Oh, this is being set wrong. It should be set up panel.get. Setting day by price. Damn it, coach! Thank you! Thank you so very much, Coach Carter. Alright. Ticket price $1,000. Should have a dollar sign on it, probably. We're gonna name this Coach Carter Con. Next. Okay, this is gonna look. This is good. I can't wait for this to actually look like a thing. It's gonna look so much better when it's a thing. Invite famous people, and that's as far as we got with that. So we're starting to get like the bare bones of these systems down. Now, I do want to. I'm getting kind of sick and tired of UI, so it'd be fun to work on some kind of an interesting thing. But that's what Tycoon games really are. Is just like lots and lots and lots of UI. So here's something we could work on that we haven't gotten to yet, which is the actor's activity. So let's go and commit what we have so far. That's a high professional con if it's a $1,000 entry fee. It is the new E3 Coach Carter Con. So I think I'm going to switch to working on, because I'm getting a little bit bored of working on this UI. Let's switch over to working on, I guess, inventory is going to be a pain in the ass. Thoughts, activity is probably going to be easiest. That's all kind of pain in the ass. Now this should cover up that. Surprised it doesn't. Are those binds in the wrong layer, probably? Hey, X-Master! So we have this UI called Actor Details. It's got a body. Yeah, okay. It's got Stats tab. Now the buttons are in the Stats tab. Pretty sure Stats tab is being hidden when we switch. I just got banned from Twitch on my laptop. Oh, that sucks, X-Master. I wonder why. So tabs.show and tabs.hide. What does it actually do? Sets the tab body alpha to 0. Game object to 0. This is the detail tab. But it doesn't have a canvas group. What? How's this even working? Oh, it has a panel inside. Okay, so hides the panel. So these buttons need to be inside of this panel. There we go. Oh shit. This panel has a vertical layout group in it. Damn it. So we're going to put another panel in here. Copy this vertical layout group. Put all these inside of that panel. And then put this in, well, to remove this layout group. And then put these buttons inside of this panel. And then remove this image from this panel. There we go. So now when we switch different tabs, the buttons shouldn't show anymore. Oh, not that. What was I doing? Oh, this one. There we go. Okay. Cool beans. Unbanned? I guess it was a glitch. Weird, X-Master. Maybe the Twitch gods overheard you. So this is info tab. This is inventory. And then thoughts and activity. Now I'm thinking for activity, it'll just say where they've been. So actors probably need to start keeping a list of where they've been. And we render that on their activity tab. So here's what we have for actors so far. I guess let's start keeping a list. Private list of stations. I'm curious how this is going to become once we have like thousands of actors or hundreds of actors. Sneaks me from the unbanned lever. Private list of stations. Visited. X-Master, thank you for the host. We'll call this visits, or we'll call it activity. And now thinking about it, an activity isn't really just a station. It is right now, but it could also be stuff like bought pizza from the pizza factory, bought a print, visited this panel. So we're gonna probably want like an activity class that's like, where were you, what did you do there? Public class activity, which has a public station. Does it need a station reference? Yeah, I guess so. Let's just say station, public, need some sort of action, which I don't think we have. I don't have actions. I want this to be serialized. And public item, or I guess stations are items. So I guess there's stuff you receive also. If you look at a station, they return a shop item. The shop item returns benefits. Okay. So if we go back to the actor, we'll say. You receive the shop item. Yeah, let's do that for now. So a list of activities. So we'll make a method, void on completed. Now when are we going to add to this? We're going to add this whenever we buy an item. Whenever we gain stats, whenever we finish a ride. So if add a ride ended, visited station. Now where do we receive our shop items? Visitation at station type equals station type at rest, use held item. Gotta go, do hashtag destroy the station. You better be in the mana hoodie when I get back. Yeah, 45 minutes, see ya, stats. Give item. Okay, here it is. This is when the player receives an item from a station. We'll start passing in the station there too. So now we can pass in a new activity. Create a constructor for this. Hey, Off King. In the future, make sure you ask for permission for posting a link in chat. It's one of our chat rules. So we can't just watch any random YouTube video that you post in the chat. Let's go create a constructor here. We're going to create a new activity. So on completed, we're going to just say activities.add act. And we're going to say if act is not equal to null. And so now when we get an item from a station, which I guess this is give item, we're going to say on completed new activity. And we're going to pass in the station and this new item. Yeah, guess, probably. The question is, how do we actually render the activity of an actor? So what do we have? We have a detail tab, reference to a view, stats tab. Where does it actually get the stats from? Actor details. Okay. Well, I guess for now it's just the text. We have tab, we have stats. Private status text, we can say serialize. MDMGTMG? What's up, potato? Is that the answer? Private text activity. So we should do it in a separate class. Yeah, let's do that. Let's call this activity tab. It's hard, Brian. I know. Zoo does not make it easy. He does not believe in making anything easy. Make a method here, public void set actor. Take some actor. That's how we solve quickly. Yeah, she's awesome. She's awesome. And where do you actually get the actor here? Set item, new item. Hack for showing actor info. Actor use an item, get component actor. Wait, what? There we go. If actor. Oh, it's literally here. If actor. Then activity tab dot set actor. Is programming a sport? I'm getting pretty sweaty. I guess it could be. So what we're going to do here is we need a reference to our text. For now it's just going to be a big one text file, so we're going to say this is title. And then we're going to iterate over all of the actor's activities. Now let's make this public because we'll cheat. Iterate over all the activity. Oops, length. Or count. And for each activity, I guess we need a public string description, which is going to, for now, just return station. We're going to say visited station.name, right? Or just station.item name plus and got received.item name. This will be different later on depending on what kind of station and what kind of item you can receive from it. Because like booths give you happiness, we don't want to say received booth, went to booth and received happiness or whatever. For now we'll just type the description. So for each one we're going to say title.text plus equals actor.activity at I.description plus a new line. Who did the art for Sky Bamboo? I did all the art in the code. But thank you. Well, not but thank you for saying it's gorgeous. So we're going to set the actor on the activity tab whenever we click on the thing. I think this should work. Probably. Here in Utah, this is how we extreme program. That's awesome stats. I thought you left. That's awesome. Is that not serialized? Oops. So our this needs a reference to this. Okay. So it spawns some jerks. Okay, it hasn't done anything yet. Can you post a link, Bamboo? Of course. Activity is blank, which is good, because they shouldn't have done anything yet. So let's give them a station. Speed up time. Alright. Visited Stingray Multimedia booth and got booth visits. Sweet. Hey Zeddy, how's it going? Think Lost posted this originally? Software engineer. The elusive software engineer is a nocturnal creature rarely found at their desk before 10 or 11 in the morning, but often staying up late into the night. They dislike being interrupted while at work, and it's theorized that their penchant for twilight hours is an evolutionary adaptation to reduce breaks in their trance-like state of coding. Not surprisingly, software engineers are solitary creatures, except for occasional gatherings called code reviews. In these gatherings, engineers gently pace around a clearing, sizing up each other's work. Although occasionally battles will erupt, they mostly end without injury, and the engineer will retreat to their desk and continue to hibernate. Diet: pizza, caffeinated beverages, potato chips. Conservation status: endangered due to poaching and headhunting. Fun fact: software engineers have been known to kill each other in brutal fights over indentation styles. There's a bunch of typos in this, but it's awesome. Native ranges: East Coast, West Coast, Europe, South Asia, East Asia, Germany. You already made that much in 7 days. Good job. Thanks to Tar Reactor. Zeddy, how's it been going? It's going good. Currently working on the activity tab so you can see where people have been. But let's put another booth down so we can make sure that they've been to more places. Speed up time. Hey, how come they're not getting a delivery? Hey, why are you dead? Hey, pick up that box. Pick up that box. Oh well, rip. Okay, so let's see, has anyone visited toilet and got bathroom visit? Yes. Yes. I've observed that their dials consist of large quantities of beer. There we go. Okay, visit this Stingray booth. This Stingray booth. This guy's doing the same thing over and over. Because there isn't much to do. So. Alpha 0000000. Actually, I think it's time to update our version number. What do you guys think? We've made quite a few changes, I think, in recent time. I don't know where that comes from. I think it's this? Yeah. I think we're at least on Alpha 0000002. Did I dream or was I in the game for a second there? You are! There you are! You were really hungry though. Okay. So let's fix the descriptions. So we need some cases in here. Going to be based on received dot type. Got a few different types. We have inventory item, immediate consume, or a hold item. So for immediate consume, we're just going to say return visited blah. For inventory item, that'll be our default. So default is return visited and got received that item name. How's Sky doing, Zeddy? Good. It's, you know, still on Steam. Working on little updates for it. And then for hold item, I don't actually know when hold items are used. And I guess we'll just do that for now. Yeah, Reactor, so whenever you talk in chat, the game picks up on it because it's listening to the Twitch chat, and it spawns you in as a little NPC guy. So let's put some boots down so we can test our activities. We got a pizza shop, speed up time. Okay, waiting for the pizza delivery. There it is, okay. So if we look at this guy's activity. Visited Indus Studios booth, visited Indus Studios booth, visited, okay. Wow, everyone's just visiting the same booth over and over. Anyone do anything different? This guy's got pizza, so what does it say? Visited pizza shop stand and got pizza combo. Nice. What ID do I use in Intensity Pro? Visual Studio 20 whatever Community Edition. That's a cool concept. Thanks, Kubisus. Alright, so cool. Yeah, they're visiting booths. They're having pizza. Walking around because there's nowhere to eat, sit. So let's see what happens when they sit in a beanbag. Visited beanbag, cool. I mean, later on we'll make this a little bit more intricate. We'll have things like sat at beanbag and played this game and visited. For now, everything is just visited. It's gonna say visited toilet also. We should say like use the bathroom. So what we'll probably do is maybe, I guess we'll have items describe themselves or have a bunch of pre-made descriptions, and that's what gets added to the activity list. But for now, everything will just be visited. So now we've got 2 out of 4 tabs filled for our actors, for our NPCs. Their stats tab, their follow, pickup, and look features. Hello, Mr. Wizard. How are you doing? Oh, I'm gonna go to that coffee shop. Guess not. Oh, what am I doing? Am I sitting on a beanbag chair? I am. This is nice. It's comfortable. And then now we have the activity tab, which for now it's kind of hacky in that, you know, we can't scroll or anything here. This needs to be a scroll view. So probably have to do that. It also doesn't update in real time. It's only updating every time you click on the that person. So first let's just put a scroll view in there, and that'll be good enough for the prototype, I think. So this should be... How the hell does scroll view work? Totally describe yourself. Totally, I take a lot of crap at these conventions. Don't want a scroll view? Guess? Yeah? I don't know. Feels wrong. How do you make a scroll view? Scroll... No? Scroll bar? Scroll snap? Vertical layout group? Vertical scroll? Wait, how do you do it? So beanbag, I get a lot of butt every day. Where else do we have scroll views? Even here. Reactor, thank you for the follow. Eller, Denisov, thank you for the follow. Prempador, Fart Collector, thanks for the follows, guys. This is a scroll view. It's a thing. Oh, it must be. It's a panel type. UI, a scroll view. There it is. 0, 0, 0, 0. Scroll view. Movement type. I don't know what that means. Horizontal scroll bar. Only scroll vertically. And viewport, content, text. Alright, is that how this works? So let's by default just say cal.text equals A, B, C. Just repeat that a few times. Test our scroll view. There you go. There you go. Okay, ABCAB. Didn't exactly work. Let's just follow what we did with the inbox panel. So it's a scroll view, the viewport, with a content size fitter on the content. Whatever the hell that is. I think that'll scale the content to be the size, the min size of whatever's inside of here. What's up, Kyrie? How's it going? When did you submit the riddle? It was at an hour ago. Exactly 1 hour ago. Okay, still not quite there. It's not rendering all of the text. But why? Oh, probably because this needs to be 0, 0, 0, 0. You should scale with that. Does that have to be content size fitter too? Okay, cool. So the position's off, and now you can scroll through all the stuff. Scroll bar looks dumb, for whatever reason. So I want this to stretch. How are you, my friend? I'm fine. Going to try out the PlayStation VR tomorrow. Sweet! I'm doing good. We're working on the activity tab to see what NPCs are up to. And we also worked on the startup screen so you can set locations, choose how many days you want to rent your convention for, invite celebrities, and set the name of your convention. So here is Awesome Dude Con. And you can see the names up there now. So we're testing now is when we set booths like Jaguar Inc. and Game League and Wizards of the Mainland. You guys and your puns. Is that Unity? It is Planet Panda. I'm gonna speed up time here. So our haulers, actually I'll probably hire more haulers to make this faster. Not that. Okay, so now if we check our NPCs activity tabs, we should be able to scroll. Is it like reverse scrolling? What the hell is this? I need somebody who's already done something. Okay, maybe it's not working. Oh, it's not resizing the content, I guess. Interesting. You're going to win, Smart Dev? Did you need for Sky Bamboo? I did, yeah. I'm not entirely versed on scroll views yet, so. Made a Firebird clone, but now there's like millions of clones on the App Store. Yeah, Panda, there is. What's going on with activity? I don't know if scroll views work, but at least activity pals, things are working. Let's bring in some more haulers. Okay, let's check people's activity now. Scroll view is kind of janky. Not sure how it's supposed to work. Probably not like this, though. Yeah, we'll see. I'll get some references and see how we can do it better. So I don't like how computery this feels. Was the Europe goal reached, Kyrie? No, we put it on hold for now. All these haulers, they don't know what to do with themselves. There's no deliveries coming, so they're just running into each other. Alright, we'll just put some padding on that text, then we'll call it, because I'm not sure how this works. Okay. Cool. So we got a lot of the startup panel going, the activity panel done. Next time we'll probably work on the other two panels for actors, which is their inventory panel and thoughts panel, which are going to work very similar to activity panel, which is why I got to figure out the scroll view thing first this weekend and just get a better idea of how that works in Unity, because we're going to use the same systems for inventory and thoughts. You know, if you want an Amsterdam tour, Kyra, I absolutely will. Hell yeah. Trust me, if the Europe trip works out, you guys will be hearing about it everywhere. But, in the meantime, it's time to do some cooldown sketching. If you guys are new to the show, this is the segment where we draw your weird ideas. Things like the snoo from Reddit in the Skyhook style. Things like Crap Captain and a skull getting a tattoo from birth. Things like Quasi playing Pokemon Go. So if you want to see me draw your weird idea, type #draw, followed by the idea in chat. One random person is going to get selected and we're going to draw their weird idea. Quasi viewer that's struggling with a riddle. Nice, dude. Draw Zoot's riddle answer. Quasi in Europe. Desmondo controlling the Quasi puppet while masking, making convention Tycoon. Programming language? How do you draw programming language? Zoot in space doing code on the moon. You could code in real life? You can code in real life. Alright. 5 seconds. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time's up. Oh, I forgot to open Photoshop. Wait, you gotta get 5 more seconds. Alright, and the winner is Brian, a banana on the toilet watching Quasi. What does that even mean? What is a banana on a toilet? Banana on a toilet watching Quasi. This is what we drew last time. Michael J. Calkins, Anara doing taxes for Skyhook. That was our drawing from last stream. But I guess today we're doing a banana on the toilet watching Quasi. I guess that's what's happening. And also, happy birthday, Zoot. You damn bastard. Happy birthday. For anyone who doesn't know what this is, about, what was it, like 2 weeks ago, right before PAX, a bunch of jerks in chat donated to buy a banana hoodie from Amazon. I can't enjoy the hoodie while the riddle is bugging you? I'm sorry, Potato. It's not my fault. It's the Riddler's fault. Last time we drew Anara doing taxes for Skyhook. Draw banana Quasi on the toilet, watch regular Quasi. So yeah, today we're doing Brian's a banana on the toilet watching Quasi. Now he didn't say whether or not that's watching me on stream, so I'm a little concerned. Did I look into Manga Studio, Kyrie? I did, yeah. Manga Studio's awesome. I haven't switched to it yet. I forgot. Wait, what did I say I wanted? Oh, the vector art stuff. Yeah. I looked into that. Which is pretty sweet. I'm not ready to switch to it yet because I have to take some time to relearn it. Because it's a little different from... I used it in 2000 and... I don't remember what. A long time ago. Okay, it's really hard to turn my head in this. I feel like Batman in the bat suit. That screws up my green screen. Banana on the toilet watching Quasi. So yeah. Let's make that happen. Somehow. I have banana suit at 1.2 bamboo? No way! Oh my goodness, you did! I've seen this gift before! Are we banana twins? Are we long lost banana siblings? Where's your banana suit now? Alright guys, here's the deal. Next time That's Bamboo streams, and if you don't follow her, make sure you do. We need to be there to get her to bring the banana suit back out. Does the banana suit have power, Aaron? Yes, it's the power of shame. And honor. Banana twins. We're long lost banana twins. I always knew I had a connection to bamboo, I just didn't know what it was, and now I realize they were both really high in potassium. Alright, let's draw this thing. Working Chef, hello! How's it going? Let's get this sketch going. I just found it in Target in Texas. I didn't actually buy it, but we'll have to change that. We'll have to change that. What do you guys say? Hashtag banana bamboo?
Black but strong is a way of living.
Damn it, ads!
First of all, I think it's great because it's shaped like a guitar pick. I'm really excited because this is the
this whole weird drawing thing's happening to me again. If you guys were here earlier, you might recall that I had some trouble drawing. Not sure what's going on with me today, but my brain is like not... I think maybe I've been coding too much. Maybe my brain is starting to slowly forget how to draw.
I can play live, I can record on any acoustic instrument. I play this guitar every day.
I would love to create a time-lapse of me trying to make a web-based game. I tried making a cookie clicker like before. Hell yeah, you should do it. That's actually has 2 banana suits. I do. You're falling behind, Bamboo.
A lot of effects. It's got a 12-string simulator.
I'll send you my... if you want, I can send you my full banana suit. But that one at Target seemed way more legit than the one we have. It actually had stuffings and stuff. The one we got on Amazon isn't stuffed. It's just kind of it's like super limp. I had to stuff it myself. The stuffing always falls out.
Put it on my guitar and do some recording.
I realized there was an ad playing this whole time. Awkward. What the hell? Start this again. Did you get PAX Box at all? No, Working Chef. I made sure to take vitamins every single day before and after PAX. I mean, I normally take vitamins anyway. But I made sure I was on point with my vitamins during PAX. So I'm super healthy. I was just mostly just tired and exhausted and jet lagged. But zero sickness, thankfully. How about you? It was just foam material that kept shape. Yeah, like this hoodie is foam material and it keeps a nice shape. The one we got from Amazon, our regular banana suit, isn't foam. It's just like cloth. Yeah, I stuff it with like paper towels. What missile Kyrie? Zoot, if you're around, can you drop your riddle again? Banana on the toilet. First you gotta draw a toilet, and then you gotta put a banana on it. Oh man, I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's because I have my nose on backwards. You're pretty sick, Working Chef? Oh no, that sucks. That's why, like, I tried to stick to as many, like, fist bumps and stuff as I could at PAX. He's a little bit too forward on the toilet. I don't know how he's going to use it if he's sitting all the way up there. Some of this toilet seems off. The fact that it has a banana on it. Riddler! Oh no! She couldn't read it. First section of each layer, 001100000033110. I'm not gonna read it. Zoo, thank you so much for that $1. Guys, can get some love in chat for Zoo coming in with another riddle donation. I really want to get rid of this prize. You mean prize? What's the prize? Is it Skyhook on Steam? So, banana on the toilet, watching Quasi. You don't own Skyhook Bamboo, we'll have to change that. Didn't know his cousin a banana thingy? Good comments, that chill. You going to sleep? See you, working chef. Feel better. You almost got it, Brian? Do ya? Do ya? You're playing Star Wars, The Old Republic, gave up on the riddle. How Hoodie compare to the other suit? Better or worse? Hoodie's way better. Hoodie is way better. The other suit is itchy, and it's extra hot because it's like super tight. Hoodie is beyond better. And it's actually kind of comfortable. I actually forget that I'm wearing it. None of random words I found I deserve a gift. So, banana on the toilet. Watching Quasi. So you guys tell me, what is Quasi doing in this drawing? It's pretty cozy. It is bamboo, yeah, it's pretty cozy, I'm not gonna lie. It might be one of my more comfortable hoodies, minus the fact that if I wear this outside, it looks like I'm wearing a yellow KKK hoodie. So, banana on the toilet. Watching Quasi. Are they staring at him through a window? But that's more like Quasi watching him. What is he doing? I was gonna draw building a spaceship. Is giving a flirty look while in a banana suit. Peeling a banana? Oh my gosh, murder. I guess he could be stats.
Every time I give money to a grown man in a banana suit, I start questioning everything I've ever done in my life.
Stats,
Fish, not like this.
Stats, thank you so very much for another $5. Holy crap. If you guys, I'm not sure how loud the thing is. Every time I give money to a grown man in a banana suit, I start questioning everything I've ever done in my life. Thank you. That means so much to me. That's how I wear the banana. I wear the banana to make you feel uncomfortable, and I'm glad you are. Thank you so much, dude. You're amazing. Can we get some love in chat, guys, for Stetsmando with a total of $30 in donations today. Thank you so very much. See you, Brian. Grown Man Banana Suit is a sound investment, to be honest. Good night, Kairai. Have a good one. Wait, what's an awesome idea? If it's Zoop's idea, it's probably a terrible idea. Just heads up. Tip Farm, thank you for the follow. Kibify, you too. I'm now. Alright, so I'm just thinking. Oh, why did I draw ears? I don't have ears. This is the awesome idea. Says Mondo. On Monday, I'll submit. Hashtag draw a live banana being peeled slowly. What? That's not PG. I guess it kind of is. It's kind of not. Oh, no worries, Planet Panda. I just appreciate you being here and hanging out. Just gonna have to save up for Skyak rather than Zoot's torture. Meow, 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 meow. Alright, so I think I know what I'm gonna draw. I mean, it's only fitting that today's the banana stream and we got a banana sketch chosen. Look at the headphones on the hoodie. They gotta be. They gotta be. That's how I hear. My only one still going, it doesn't mean to win. You have no sound, Brian. Good. Hey, everybody. In case you didn't know, I really, 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 really don't like Brian Bass. He is one of the most banana people I've ever met. So I'm thinking this is going to be a weird one because the banana is shaped really weird. Using your drawing with some pad, Planet Panda? That looks way too amazing. Do with a mouse? Yeah, I'm using a Cintiq 22 HD. It's a giant screen that I can draw on. You know, looking at the angle of the eyes right now, the banana's looking right at my butt. He's totally checking me out. I've been studying the quasi-banana species for quite some time, and it's a common mistake people make. The hoodie is more comfortable. That means you can get him to wear it more. That's not how this works. That's not how this works. Damn it. Are you self-taught or did you get some courses? Yeah, I just learned to draw on my own. I mean, I studied a lot of like videos online and stuff like that. Learning the principles of animations help a lot. And these are normally just pretty quick, silly drawings too. And how do you $60? We got this one for pretty cheap. This is like $27 or something, I think, right, guys? And buy a webcam slightly used color brown? What? Why do you have a brown webcam, first of all? Was it brown when you got it, second of all? Was it brown when you got it? I figured. What would you suggest for getting drawing photos so I can stick it in my Amazon wish list? Do you mean like a tablet? Oh, a car screeching. The Bamboo Fun, I believe? Not Bamboo in chat, but the Intuos Fun or the Wacom Bamboo. Pretty much a Wacom tablet. Just like the cheapest one if you want to get a cheap one, or expensive one if you want to get an expensive one. The Intuos is good. It's an intermediate tablet. The Bamboo is a really good starter tablet. I use a Bamboo when I'm traveling and stuff. Speaking of traveling, so I might be traveling down to Quasimom's house on Monday. So we might have a Quasimom stream on Monday. Not confirmed yet, still not sure. I really don't want to travel after having just gotten back from PAX. But my parents really want to see my face. So I might be going down there for like a day and then coming back, flying back to Buffalo. Bamboo, you're a good starter tablet? You are a pretty good starter tablet. I got my toes all wrong. We need to get her in chat. This looks like a creepy picture now. I'm just trying to make it look like he just took a shower. Looks like he's covered in like sauce or something. You post your drawing turbo deck? Hell yeah, absolutely. I'm seeing the drawing you made of her? No, she has not. No, she has not. I see Titan Rodak's drawing. Nice! Little banana sitting in a toilet and he's watching Quasi TV, dressed up as a banana on stream. I like the little detail there, that I'm actually a banana in the laptop as he's watching the stream. Awesome job, dude. Awesome, awesome job. You can't handle this image, Bamboo. But it's the banana life. This does happen to me more often than I'm willing to admit. That I'm in the bathroom with a real banana. Well, Brian, hope you enjoyed your drawing, dude. Because I sure didn't. He's looking like directly at my butt. Alright, that is a banana on the toilet watching Quasi. Brian, hope you enjoyed your sketch, you jerk. Definitely interested in getting into graphic design. Anyway, I make the likes of cheap channel art right now, but drawing would be a dream. Thanks for the tip. Absolutely, yeah. Get a tablet, it's gonna feel so good to draw with. Do you know the banana song? Banana phone, ring, 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 ring. I've heard it before. It's not as good as my banana song, which goes like this: banana, 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 banana. Alright, before we get out of here, let's go see who's streaming on the old Twitchosphere. Let's see what's going on the Twitches. Who's doing the Twitch thing? We could do something we haven't done in a long time, which is jump into creative and just see what's going on hashtag game dev. Let's jump into hashtag game dev. Where is it? Hashtag game dev. And find a totally random human being to raid the crap out of. What do you guys say? See what's going on. Oh! Our friend Ryan Clark is doing the stream thing. We could drop him that raid. Or we could... What? Riddler!
Since the riddle seemed to remain unsolved, I shall return with a new one. Another day. The price hidden in it. Rocket League key.
Riddler! That was awesomely worded, dude. That sounded so cool. A Rocket League key, which means I'm assuming we're going to have another riddle on Monday. So get your riddling pants ready. Get your riddling gears prepared. But in the meantime, let's get ready to drop an old-fashioned raid. Zoot, thank you so much for that $1 and for all the donations today. You are amazing. And I love you, and I hate you. And thank you for keeping us entertained with riddles. Hey, riddles, what's the riddle? Let's get out of here, guys! So is this riddle over? It seems like it. Yeah, it seems like we're going to end this riddle, and then Monday, I assume Zoot's going to start a new riddle for a Rocket League key. So make sure you guys tune back in. I won't be dressed as a banana then. I'll be a regular human being. But thank you guys so much for an amazing week, coming back from PAX and getting all the support, all the follows, all the new subs, all the resubs, all the donations, all the jerks, everyone just hanging out. Thank you guys so much for an awesome, awesome, awesome week. This is why I stream. You guys make it amazing. You're an amazing community. You make this worth doing. You make this banana worth wearing in this 100-degree room. So thank you for that. I was almost there, Brian. Oh, no! Well, you still have time to solve it. I don't think he's given away the answer yet. So thank you guys for being freaking awesome. We got a lot of work done on Convention Tycoon. I'm going to hopefully do some work on it this weekend and try to get it ready for TwitchCon as soon as we can. But in the meantime, let's get ready for a raid. So our raid message is going to be... banana toilet! Or just banana. How about just banana? Our raid message is going to be banana. Let's go spam some bananas in chat. Link to the drawing. Yeah, if you want to see all the sketches we do, I post all of them up to our art blog after the stream. So if you check it out there. So our raid message again is banana. And we are raiding the very awesome developer behind Crypt of the Necrodancer, who's currently doing indie game design reviews. So let's check it out. Learn plenty of things from him. Let's head over to Ryan Clark's channel. Drop the raid message banana and show him some love. Until then, I'll see you guys on Monday. Subs, I'll see you on Discord. Bye, everybody. Don't die.